going, guys? It's me, Desus Nice.
And I'm the kid Mero.
Together, we're the Bodega Boys.
That's right. And we're just here to make a special announcement on the first day of November.
That's right. You know, sometimes we go as the Desus Boys. Sometimes we talk about Pinot.
Yeah.
Jerking it.
Yeah.
Spanking it.
Making some beef stroganoff at home.
Beating your meat.
Yeah.
Spreading the peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
Letting the semen free.
Yeah. Getting money.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Taking the A train uptown.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Taking the D train right into the tunnel.
Ordering a falafel, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Making some hot deli meat.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Just riding the city bike with no hands.
Yeah.
But no, this November, we want you not to nut.
Do not nut.
It's No Nut November.
No Nut November. And we've got a cavalcade of people to help you.
That's right. We brought out
journey.
all the stars.
That's right.
Hey, bro, what's up, bro? It's fucking Michael Anthony here, bro. I'm just reminding you that it's November, so you shouldn't fucking, like, jerk, you know what I mean? Like, jerk your dick off, you know what I mean? Unless, like, you know, like, you could jerk other people's dicks off, like, if you want, like, a hot bag, you know what I'm saying? But, like, other than that, bro, just, like, you know, keep your hands to yourself, but not like that. Thank you.
I'm Michael Anthony's mother. You know, I live in Staten Island, you know, and sometimes I see guys on the ferry, you know, it's a ride. And they're rubbing the Statue of Liberty. You know, that's not right. So, you guys don't do that, you know. Don't nut this November, and also don't steal debit cards from your mother to use them to purchase opioids.
Shut up, mommy, fucking cut!
Yo, what's good? It's fucking Yesenia, stupid. It's No Nut November. That means y'all niggas is not busting no nuts, all right? So stop jerking off, because I caught you, stupid. And my mother live here, you fucking disgusting asshole. So if you go in the fucking bathroom, at least lock the door before you jerk off your dick. You fucking asshole, piece of shit. Nasty motherfucker. Yo, you need to get a fucking job, matter of fact. Forget about jerking off. That's the least of your motherfucking problems. Oh shit, matter of fact, my fault. This is a PSA for No Nut November, yo. Y'all, stop masturbating. You gonna hurt yourself, my nigga, for real. Like, stop, please. Because, like, every time you jerk off, like, you hurt your penis. You know what I'm saying? That's self-harming. So, no, don't bust no nuts in November. You know what I'm saying? Unless you copy my OnlyFans.
Hey, it's Officer Prosciutto. What's going on? Don't make me lock you up, black people. Anyway, listen, it's No Nut November. I need you to keep your hands away from your Piscadillo. You know what I mean? Especially if you listen to these jerk-offs over here. They're probably going to talk about Pinot and, you know, Mero talking about, like, you know, putting a cucumber in his wife's blood or something, you know. But, listen, it's episode 177 of the illustrious Bodega Boys. Yeah, do the drop.
Do it. Do the drop. It's Dr. Ben Bosson reminding you not to masturbate this month. Do it. Go ahead, do the drop. Just don't drop a load.
Episode 177.
Yeah.
Of the Bodega Boys podcast.
AKA where we face our addiction to pornography.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not.
What you talking about, bro?
I'm not.
Hold on. Let me start the old Pinot timer.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Here we go.
Dum, dum, dum. All right. I'm going to have to take that away from you. Okay?
That's what the blessings come in.
As the blessings come in, but don't overdo the blessings. Jesus.
Don't block your blessings.
As always, coming to you live from Milk Studios. You know, shout out to the Cash App. Bow, bow, bow. You know what I mean?
Showtime.
A lot of shit happened this week. Showtime. Shout out to Desus Mero on Showtime, #1 show
in America.
We were hanging with Bernie Sanders, not to be confused with Barry Sanders.
You know
I did
what I'm
that
saying?
once. See, people won't let me forget that.
Bernie Sanders does not have the lateral quickness that Barry Sanders has.
You don't know that.
That's fair to say.
You don't know that.
That's
You
fair to
don't.
say.
You don't
That's
know if Bernie Sanders got a juke move.
That's true.
What if he be crossing niggas up?
He could. Imagine you can cross up.
Imagine Bernie Sanders does an and one mixtape on you. When Bernie Sanders comes up, throws the ball off your forehead, it comes back down, puts it underneath through your pants,
nutmegs you
underneath the back of your shirt. No. Now you're looking for it, and he's like, cooked him.
He's like, I cooked you.
I cooked you.
Lefty layup. Yo, wow, that would be mad embarrassing.
That would.
You'd have to, yeah.
I'd be more embarrassed. Like, that would be worse than our performance against Cory Booker. And it's pretty hard to be worse than that. That was
pretty bad. But yo, not for nothing. That got cut got cut to show Corey in a very more positive
Yeah,
light.
but also, like, I don't care. People were like, yo, you lost to Cory Booker. I was like, I don't play basketball. I don't care. I don't do anything athletic. I roll blunts. That's what I do. I got winded.
Yo.
You ever be halfway through rolling a blunt? Like, shit. Fuck. And now I gotta smoke this? Jesus
Oh, my
Christ.
God.
This is slavery.
Yo. But it was a choice.
Speaking of the Kanye album, y'all not still listening to it.
No,
y'all not
please.
still listening.
You not.
Stop it.
Lying.
Stop it.
Don't lie,
Y'all don't fuck
bro.
with God like that. Yeah, come on, bro.
Yo, fucking spell church, nigga.
You know that you getting in the church now? Huh?
Huh? Now?
Okay, what about young Jesus, 8 years old? I gotta go to instrumental parties.
What?
Huh? Do you know what the hell that is?
You know?
Jesus.
You know, you motherfuckers, yo, son, I've been through several fucking Christian institutions, B. This shit is not fun. You know what
It's
I'm
not
saying?
fun. Church is not fun.
Church
God
is not fun at all,
You
man.
go there, it's like weird temperature. It's mad early in the morning.
Yeah, you gotta
put on
dress
a
up
suit,
and shit.
you know what I
Like,
mean?
yo, why am I dressed up? It's 8 o'clock.
And see, that's for us that go like that went to like real good churches. Because then you got people that be wearing like Air Force Ones.
Oh, they don't
in
go
church.
fuck. Yeah, they're like,
You
yo,
wear black Air Force Ones. You think God's answering your prayer? He probably tapping Jesus like,
look at this nigga.
this cornball.
Look at this nigga right
This
here.
cornball.
Look at this nigga.
Sick of praying for rent.
You thought? Go ahead, pray again. Good.
That nigga.
Yo, make him hear noise.
He's like, what? God.
Yeah, that's me answering your peers. Psych, nigga, fuck out of here, you broke ass nigga, broke boy. Dude, hit you with the shmoney dance.
Yeah. But at the same time, you can't be just wearing like Gucci to church. You should just wear like
just
sensible TV. It should be like TV clothes that has no branding on it.
Yes,
exactly.
Like a nice, sensible Van Heusen,
you know,
wrinkle-free shirt,
a Champion hoodie without the logo. You
right?
know,
You know what I'm saying, with a little seam ripper.
Well, not. You shouldn't wear a hoodie to church, right?
Yeah, nah.
Does it not matter?
That's a lot.
I don't know. Maybe they updated it. Do people? You should be able to like text God and shit.
I feel like it depends on the church too. Like churches got to make apps, bro.
Yeah.
They got to start making apps. Everybody got a fucking app.
Yeah.
If I go order a pizza by sending somebody an emoji, I should be able to like send a fucking WhatsApp voice note to God and be like, "Yo, son, what should I do? Do I go to this church? Do I go to this church? Do I go to this mosque? Do I go to the fucking Jew? You know what I'm saying? The temple? Like, help me out here, bro. Like, do I get a prayer rug? Like, what am I doing here?
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to figure this shit out, bro.
God's like, I don't got all the answers. What the fuck, bro?
It's like, yo, come on, son. I just made y'all niggas, man. Like,
leave
the
me
fuck,
alone.
man? What the fuck else you want? What the shit?
He's stressing me.
Yo,
They're gonna find out Hov is God.
yo, when they find out I'm really the God, niggas is really gonna be upset.
What if Hov is God?
Yo.
Like, he's been telling us all this time.
He's like, actually, I'm not God. I'm Jesus. Beyonce's God. You know what I'm saying? I'm just here to help. You feel me?
Damn.
I'm sorry.
That would wow. That's
Don't
a
shoot the
theory.
messenger.
That's a theory.
You know what I'm saying? That's why you niggas can't really talk to B. You have to go through me first. You know what I'm saying? Also, title. You know what I'm saying? There's a paywall. You know what I'm saying? For the afterlife.
Is title's the new Bible?
Title's heaven.
Title's the New Testament?
Title, Bible. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Kinda. It's kinda. You know what I'm saying? It's a reach.
If I was in the barber shop, I'd be like, yo, shut the fuck up.
Fuck up, nigga.
That nigga talking. Yo, shut
Yo,
the fuck up.
nigga.
Maybe get out there.
Title, Bible, nigga.
This nigga talking stupid.
Fucking bozo.
Stupid nigga.
Title,
But I
Bible.
wait till
nigga.
you have the hot towel on your face so you can't see who said it. I don't want no smoke. Just trying to get my hair cut.
Put the towel on your face and be like, yeah, that nigga's mad pussy.
He was like, who said that? Who said that? Who said that? When I take this Noxzema off my face, I'm gonna see y'all.
Wait till my vision stops blurring.
When my barber comes back from smoking a Newport in front of the barbershop for 7 minutes, and I'm kind of screaming because my face is burning.
Yeah.
It's a chemical burn.
You go to Shorty's crib and she's like, yo, why you got like that white line on your face and you smell like Newport?
It's like, yo,
Because I get a haircut in the hood.
You know, getting those Bronx haircuts.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh man,
not everybody has a problematic will in their life. They could just get immaculate haircuts twice a week.
If you're gonna, shout out to Will, the barber.
Shout out to
If you're gonna
Will.
reference him, just tell people who he is.
Shout out to No Chill Will, the barber on our set. You know what I'm saying? Who is a, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. Big up. Who is a man from Newark that you can immediately tell is a man from Newark. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying. Because we just had an HR meeting. I want all my niggas to eat.
Okay. They're not coming out with NBA Live 2020 next season. So,
Yo. Oh. Do they still make NBA Live?
no, I just said they're not coming out with.
Why?
Because they said they want to focus on. They said they're tired of just giving people like the same game over and over and over. They want to like come up with some new shit.
Like, we're better than 2K.
I mean, I think it's 2K1. Like,
That's what I'm saying. That's the cop out. That's like when you lose.
Since '95.
That's like when you get jumped and you're like, yo, but I got jumped though. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know it was just two dudes against me and one of them didn't even touch me, but I still got jumped. That's why I took an L. So instead of that, I'm going to focus on this other thing, roller skating. You just come out with some random thing and try to deflect from the fact that you got washed. You know what I'm saying? So that's what they're doing. Sorry, yo, you got washed.
Okay.
But we still fuck with you. You know what I'm saying? I still fuck with Madden.
They should bring back NBA
Street.
Yeah, NBA Street.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
They got like the little kid. They got 2K got like 2K fucking some like junior version of like 2K
For what, the Switch?
for PlayStation and I believe I think all of them, Xbox and all of them shits. But it's very NBA Jam. Like it's very like big head mode. I'm shooting like 2-on-2. The court is mad small. I'm shooting threes from half court and making them like consistently. It's kind of boring.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So I would maybe download the demo, try it out first. A little shareware. You know what I'm saying?
This is the worst video game review show I've ever seen. This is.
We just gotta unbox it and play it. Like, it's
If this was a YouTube video, I would log in to click dislike. Like, I'd be like, what is this? I might even leave like a controversial. I might actually call you a racial slur. I might put that in the comments. I'd be like, yo, get this out of here. All right. What was that? This is shareware. Shareware is 1991.
Yo, I'm taking out back.
Don't copy that floppy.
You know what I'm saying? Keep it old school. You know what I'm saying? In the words of great philosopher Big Time Tommy.
Big Time Tommy.
I worry for him sometimes.
Why?
You know what I'm saying? I don't know what his BMI is. I don't know what his cholesterol levels are. You know what I'm saying? It has nothing to do with like, his physique. It's just like the internal. You know what I'm saying?
But he said he's healthy.
I mean, shit, I say I'm healthy. I smoke 20 backwoods a day. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? Until I get a fucking MRI. You know what I'm saying? They scan my motherfucking lungs and shit. And then they be like, yo, fam, it's quiet for you. You know what I'm saying? And then I do like a farewell tour and shit. And then like every show is mad sentimental. And like we hug and cry at the end when they roll the credits.
Nah, we wouldn't do that.
You know what I'm saying?
We didn't do that.
Or I just like deteriorate. Like,
Yeah.
It's kind of like sad.
Nah, if I get that, I just get a replacement. Like,
yo, co-host of this week is Magic Johnson.
You gonna come in one day of milk and there's gonna be a lot of people with papers. I'll be like, next.
I'm like, yo, what the
It's gonna
fuck's
be
going
me,
on?
Victor, Diane, Hasan, and we just sitting there. We got our chairs backwards like the voice.
Like,
And when
yo.
we hear the right shit, we're gonna spin it and turn around
I'm
like,
like,
yeah.
I'm like,
He's the new Mero.
I'm like, it was me all along.
Excuse me, so we'll get about, sir, your oxygen tank.
That was me.
We're picking up your oxygen tank on the mics.
That was me.
Get out of here.
Fuck, can't get rid of me that easy.
I got a text CB. I was like, he didn't die yet? Jesus.
Eduardo.
It's like, it would suck because like all you want to talk about is you dying on the podcast. Like I'd be like, yo, there's no NBA live. They're not making NBA live 2020, and you're like,
I got 3
I'm not
months.
gonna be alive in 2020. I'm
It
like,
doesn't
oh, here
matter.
we go with this shit.
I got 6 weeks left.
I was like, yeah,
You want to waste them talking about NBA Live?
here we go.
Why don't we talk about how we built this thing? You know, how about we talk about that? How about we talk about the real issues?
Here we go, Mortal Mero.
Yeah. I'm facing my own mortality. I'm trying to use this entertainment as a crutch to carry me through to the end, man. Come on.
So just don't die.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Dying is a choice like slavery.
Yeah, it is.
Like,
Straight
listen,
up.
you gotta,
Yeah.
you know, I'm enlightened and heightened, so I know these things. So
I can't believe this nigga said you my Chick-fil-A, man. You my number one.
I mean-
oh, damn.
But to be fair, didn't Kanye was like, what she ordered, fish fillet a couple years ago? He was like, yo, this shit slaps. So it's just, if you like someone, you put up with their shit. It's like in a relationship. Like if you really like someone and they keep cutting their toes and leaving the toenails by the toilet, you know, like you look past it. But once they get to that phase where they're annoying, you know, you're gonna have to bring it up.
Like, yo, listen.
Perhaps at an event you were invited to for said person's job, and you know you getting shit for coming in late, and there was traffic, and you know maybe get the fuck off my neck, ma. Allegedly.
Yo, no. Oh my god. Yeah, nah, that's true. After a while, shit that is cute is not cute anymore. It's not cute. Like, oh, look at your pinky toe. It's like a weird shape. It's so cute. And then after like a year, you're like, shit look like a fucking ant. Some shit like a fucking insect. Fucking, you just making shit up. Like, fucking, your hair's too long. Fucking apartment smells like candles. It's fucking disgusting. Gotta get out of here. There's no reason. There's no real reason. I'm saying it's just happening. You just become annoyed for no reason. I'm telling. This is actual fact. This is actual fact.
I see you like, vividly reliving this in your head.
I had an ex-girlfriend who I was like fucking with for like a year, and one day I was in her crib.
Mm-hmm.
Shot to Williamsburg, North 7th and White. This was very early, like Interpol first album days.
Yeah, you give it direct addresses and shit. Shit, give me her apartment. Yeah. So I could go look at the backstory. I'm like, oh, this is the couch where it happened?
What up? She had like 5 roommates. I guarantee if I named all 5 of them, somebody here would know one of them.
Yeah.
But like
that's how New York is.
But yo, she was like, oh my God, I got glass on my foot. She had glass on her pinky toe. Mm-hmm. And I was like, yo, shit, let me help you. Let me get some tweezers. So I went and I got tweezers and I went to go get the glass out of her pinky toe. And I looked at her pinky toe and I was like, yo, your pinky toe is weird as fuck. And then after that, nothing was ever the same. Ever. I was just like, yo, I'm done here.
Let's unpack this.
Over a pinky toe.
Let's unpack this. Because what's your thing with feet?
I don't know.
You have a thing with feet, though.
I don't know.
Put you on the spot. You have a thing with feet, though.
I didn't. So this is the thing. So I didn't, right? Because my most long-term girlfriend aside from Heather
didn't have feet.
She had feet, okay. But she was a dancer. Like she was a dance major. So, you know, dance major feet are like fucked up.
Oh, she was like a dancer or like a dancer, hey yo daddy dancer.
She was the performer and then transitioned into the latter. Okay. So like she was doing ballet and shit, you know what I'm saying? And like, yo, that shit fucks your feet up. Okay. Like you get bunions and shit and mad like calluses and shit. So I was never like, oh wow, your feet are hot. You know what I'm saying? And then like I dated another girl who had like feet that were just like regular. And I was just like, oh, okay, your feet are not gross like mine and like my ex-girlfriend's. And then I started dating Heather and I was like, yo, you get pedicures? Like, and you paint your toenails and like you do shit with your feet? Like that's kind of hot. You know what I mean? Like I've explored every other facet of your body. You know what I'm saying? Start at the top. You know what I'm saying? With the mind and the brain. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what you appreciate first. You don't go in there and be like, oh, you're hot. You're you know what I'm saying? And rate a human on a scale of 1 to 10, like on some real misogynistic shit. Like, yo, you're a 9. No, I was like, I'm here for your mind. Let's have mind sex. You know what I'm saying? Like that Dead Prez song. It's just, you know, like, you know how woke I am. You know what I'm saying? Because I was never interested. I was never like, yo. You feel me? Like, I was never like, yo, this is about aesthetics. It was like, no, this is about spirituality and our connection, the energy that we feel between each other. You know what I'm saying?
Fucking liar.
Hell no. I was like, yo, you got a fat ass.
You know, this nigga, every time we go somewhere, you're like, yo, look at her feet, bro. Yeah, look, yo, Jesus, look at her feet, bro.
So this is the thing.
I can't take her seriously anymore. Look at her feet.
Like, yo, that's what I'm saying.
Her feet look like fucking pelicans.
Yo, that's the thing. Some fucked up feet will be like, I'll be like, yo, and I can't talk shit because I got the fucking Jumanji feet. Like,
I'm not even talking about seeing the actual foot. I'm talking about while the shoe is still on.
Oh,
you be commenting on people's feet.
Like a full coverage shoe? I don't even know how that's possible. Like sandals, yeah, I could tell. Like if your pinky toe is like hanging off the edge of the sandal, like a baby possum in a windstorm.
Do you remember when we were smoking weed in Austin?
Yes, but Shorty was barefoot. She was barefoot. Yeah, she took her shoes off in the crib on some respect.
Oh yeah,
because Shorty had the carpet, so
That's
she took her shoes off, and I was like, God damn it, Shorty, fuck, your feet longer than the foot line, my nigga. Like, yo, yo,
and you said that, and now I can't take this girl seriously anymore. I can't even look her in her face.
Yo,
because you told me she got the fucking Krusty the Krab, fucking long ass feet.
Yo, the feet was so long, but the toes are so short. I wouldn't have been mad if they were proportionate, but her toes is like, you know, motherfuckers got mad gums and little teeth. It was like the foot version of that. I couldn't get over it, and I was high. Like, yo,
we all were high.
If I go like, but this is the thing. If I feel like I detox, turbo detox. If I go like a whole day without smoking weed, and then I smoke weed, I'll be like, yo, those first 15 minutes, I'm high. Like, I'm high. And I'm just like, yo, especially now, we're not smoking Reggie no more. Like, all this shit is like,
every now and then I smoke Reggie.
When you open a jar, like, yo, Gasman got that.
No, I be smoking Reggie every now and then. What I do once a week.
I smoke some Reginald.
I smoke Reggie, and I use 1-ply toilet paper to keep me humble.
Okay. Oh, that's true.
What I mean?
Yeah.
To know the struggle. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I've always,
you know what I'm
always.
I go to my supermarket. I buy toothpaste. I have to ask for the manager to unlock it. You know, keep me like this. I don't want to have a swollen head.
That's a fact.
And then I hop in my car that's been waiting outside, and it takes me back to my.
That's right. I was gonna say, yo, I wipe my ass with newspaper. You know what I'm saying? I wipe my ass with the Post. Just stay humble.
Take it. I'm making a hotel, but it's gonna be like Jamaican style.
Yeah,
everyone's gonna be super excited, but it's gonna be like in the hills, Jamaica. Yeah. So the pillow's gonna be stuffed with jeans.
All that.
You gotta randomly release scorpions into your room.
Yep, and you gotta be like, oh shit, you gotta sleep on the mosquito net. You gotta bathe in the morning with the oil drum water that is fucking freezing.
If you want hot water, you gotta get up, get the water out the pool, and put it up in a tree.
Yep,
and then you can take a hot shower at 7 p.m.
Or if you stunting, you could put a pot of hot water on the stove.
Whoa.
If you got enough propane.
What's his stove?
No. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Get a little piece of fucking charcoal, throw it under the motherfucker, whatever the fuck that shit is, and then just heat up some shit and mix it in.
All we serving is Horlicks, porridge, and bun and cheese.
That's it, bro.
Have your wedding there though.
Always.
You gotta start. You gotta
be
start.
humble.
Be humble.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like what did Kendrick Lamar say? Be humble.
Sit down. You know what I'm saying?
And I am a robot. My name is Kendrick Lamar.
I am Kendrick Lamar. I like to read books.
I don't think that's an actual lyric. But that'll get you thrown out the car. You throw on a song that has that lyric. I like to read books. But yo, whose man is this?
Yo, that's Logic next single.
This nigga promoting literacy. Get him out of here.
Yo. Oh shit. Oh, can we talk about Peter Lugers?
No. I don't know. This is when you ask permission. we gotta run it through like
the control room.
We gotta clear it.
Oh, please hold.
Hold up. No, can we talk? Are they a sponsor?
No,
No, we're not. We're not.
Just
okay.
catch up.
Okay, we're talking about Peter Lugers. Pete Wells.
Yeah,
he killed it. He said Peter Lugers is trash.
No-scoped it.
He said Peter Lugers is the equivalent of. He said that remember Tad Steaks that used to be on 34th Street? He said Tad Steaks on 34th Street is better than Peter Lugers.
Why? See, nah, you didn't have to say all that.
I said that. I said that. All right. Where else did you get a good steak for $7? $7 and eat it standing up after a long day shopping at Macy's.
That's strip club shit, bro. You go to strip club and it's like niggas got steak and fries for $3. I'm like, nigga, that's steakums.
Those should be good. I used to work at a strip club. Some strip clubs care more about their food than others. Yo. Shout the Stadium in DC. Their wings is off the fucking chain.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Those joints.
Hold up. Do people still say off the chain?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You still say off the chain? Yeah. No.
I was like, no.
I don't feel like you're the barometer for that. You have 4 kids. I can't be asking you.
But then that's the thing.
But I don't want to be saying shit your kids say.
Mel Jr. is 8.
I don't know. I don't want to be saying the same shit an 8-year-old is saying.
But that's what I'm saying. So like now he's like, no cap. Now I'm saying this shit.
No, you can't be saying no cap.
It's osmosis.
If you say no cap, I'm gonna start saying it, and that's the death of this podcast. Fam, we
yo.
almost at the point we gotta go to the doctor for our prostates. We can't be like
using new slang.
we can't be using.
We still gotta be like, yo, money,
Yo.
yo, word, Mo.
Yo, doctor, it take me a long time to pee at night. No cap.
Yo, he's like, sir, get the fuck out of my office immediately.
Yo, why you hating on my vibes? While I'm leaving, I do a Fortnite dance. Listen, I don't want to have to go to get a colonoscopy in a wild Travis Scott shirt.
Shit is meant to stress for no reason.
Just talking to everyone else, like, these limited edition.
Yeah.
I was going with my Sakai's, but
I was like, I thought I would chill. Motherfuckers are like, you're 62.
Like, what?
What the fuck?
Wait, hold on. I have my new AirPods.
I'm sorry.
Do you hear that new Uzi? Oh shit!
Yeah.
Only person doing a TikTok while they get a colonoscopy. This is not funny.
You know what's even more not funny? Because I was supposed to get a colonoscopy in May and I still haven't.
What the fuck?
So we lead busy lives.
I love the polyps in your stomach. It's just like, yeah, he's too busy for us, bro. Yeah. Tell the rest of the family to come over from DR. Just put your space here. Yeah, he's not checking on none of that shit.
Yeah, I'm over there like filling a barrel full of like jeans and like old clothes and shit. Like, and I'm just like, oh fuck, what was that? Like, oh well,
just building a new house and shit. Oh no. Why don't you go get a colonoscopy?
Yo, Dr. DeLillo, can we please reschedule my colonoscopy?
That's not how the podcast works.
My fault. I know you Bodega though, gang. You know what I'm saying?
You're the doctor that's gonna give you a colonoscopy. Listen to this podcast. You would go to a medical professional that listens to this podcast.
So there's the thing. When I went in for my consultation, they make you fill out paperwork, and it makes you, your profession, whatever. So I put, CBS, Showtime Networks, and the dude was just like, "What do you do there?"
Oh, see, that's your mistake.
And I was just gonna be like, "Yo, I'm in accounting. Like, I'm an accountant," and just let it go, whatever. But he looked at me. He's like, "Nigga, you came in here with 2 chains on and a fucking hat. This is fucking Boogie Down Bronx. Like, you're not a fucking accountant." I was like, I do a show. I try to keep it like as like whatever is possible. He's like, "Oh yeah, tell me more." And nigga dug wow deep, and I'm like, by the end of
deep in your butt,
like not yet.
So are you having this conversation while you're bent over?
No, it was just like a consultation. It was like we're just like.
So he hasn't done nothing yet.
No. Oh. There's been no air blown up my ass yet. You know what I'm saying? That's what they do. They blow air. They like fill up. They blow air up your ass.
No, they don't.
They fill your ass.
No, I had a colonoscopy. They don't.
What is the thing where they blow you? Is that a prostate exam where they blow air up your ass?
I think you might have ordered the wrong.
Why you asking me? Nigga? I don't know fucking.
I think someone might have ordered the wrong thing on Backpage once. Then he was like, "Daddy, you like balloons?" Like, yeah, sure.
Yo, all I know is that my dad had to get some type of like I'm getting old medical procedure, and they literally like filled his ass up with air. They were like, "Yo, listen, you're gonna be farting a lot."
Was it in America?
Yeah, it was. I swear to God. I don't know.
Put an airbag in your father's ass in DR?
Is Heaven Googling this? I hope you're Googling it. She's like, "No, motherfucker, I'm on Twitter."
She's like, "No, we don't have fact checkers in here. That's the fun of this podcast. We just say whatever. We say whatever, and then people on Twitter try to fact check us, and we're like, fam,
fuck you.
We don't even care about that.
Care.
That shit was like 3 days ago. I don't give a shit about that.
That was days ago, motherfucker.
Also, they should have a new colonoscopy. They should just like put a GoPro on a rat.
Yeah. And just let it rock.
Just let it rock.
Like, yo, go ahead. There's some cheese up there.
Like,
yo, there's some impacted food up there.
It's like, yo. Because remember that book, The Mouse and the Motorcycle? Yeah. And then Ralph Fell's mouse. He's riding around. Like, your butt in a Ducati. Like,
nigga doing 12 o'clock of your fucking rectum.
Nigga doing a Rough Riders video. Stop. Drop.
Settle down, open up shop. Oh, no. Let's escape through the butthole.
The doctor's looking at us like, is that an ATV?
Niggas
want to chop. Y'all niggas want to die. Oh.
To my pilot, niggas.
1, 2, meet me outside. The
meet me outside. Niggas start dropping out your butt like, Meet me outside. Meet me outside.
Oh, Jesus.
Or your man's have been to jail before, been up my ass.
Had to go with problematic light.
Yeah, it's one of they just.
Had to go with problematic light. 26 minutes in, still no Pinot talk.
No Pinot talk.
No Pinot talk.
Yes.
This is like rehab, I guess, right?
You know what I'm saying?
Like, you know what really sucks about rehab? Like when you first start, like you got to keep count and you be like, yo, hour clean. And everyone was like, that. Come on, bro.
There's that one dude that's been like clean for like 3 or 4 years, and he's just like
36 years.
He's like, yeah, 30, yeah.
You ever see that on Twitter? Someone was like, yeah,
40 years.
It's been 48 years since I took my last drink, and I got a beer in my hand. I'm like,
I was like, so then you were never, there's never really nothing wrong. It's like 40 years. It's like, that's a new life. Because in the Bronx, you're supposed to die by 42, I think. But either from like asthma, mesothelioma, a gunshot, or like
depression,
diabetes, depression.
Eating too many McDonald's dollar menu items.
Yeah, exactly. Too many McPick-2s. So, you know what I'm saying? So,
too many McChickens with honey mustard sauce on it.
So if you're sober for 40 years, you basically, you got carte blanche.
Well, I mean, you probably start
doing whatever you want to do.
It's probably a new life, though, if you're sober for 40 years. Because like the 40 years you weren't sober were different.
I would go 40 years sober just to binge one night, like, you know what I'm saying, after 40 years. Like, yo, I made it to 40 years, I'm about to wall the fuck out, nigga! Yo! Dude, I'm throwing like a little pump song and do every drug.
What kind of reverse pregame niggas mad sober for 30 years. Like, I'm gonna show y'all.
It's like this tantric sex of getting high.
Nigga sent me an invite. I was like, this is for 40 years from now? Nigga having a party in the building that don't even exist anymore. All right.
You just walk into the fucking address like, yo, what is this? Is this an empty warehouse? It's just me on Special K in the corner.
We should do reverse interventions. Where like if your friend's not doing enough drugs.
You never did drugs?
Yeah, and then we come in.
Yo, come here. And
then we just read them stories like,
yo.
Well, we were mad smacked and you didn't want to puff.
Yeah, remember?
That really hurt me.
That really hurt us. I got a little mortar and pestle. I'm just grinding up mad pills. Like, yo, come on, man. You don't want to do Rails Adderall with us, man? Come on, what the fuck, man? Just want to stay up all night.
If I'm at LeBain and I do Molly and I pass it to you and you don't do it, this friendship's over.
We have to present a united front.
Like,
if you don't use that straw to blow that Molly up my butt at the festival, then like how close are we really?
Is that the best way to do Molly up the butt?
Yeah, you absorb everything you blow up your ass gets absorbed like mad fast.
We're doing a lot of ass talk this
yeah, we do.
Yeah. No, not we do, but especially this episode.
Oh yeah, it's all good. You know what I'm saying?
You know we do that ass talk, that ass.
Hey. I'm gonna put my tongue in her butt. But yeah, no, definitely. If you blow Molly up so your butt, you will definitely feel it.
But then, like, where do you got to go inside the porta potty to do that? Or
it depends on how, it depends on how much, it depends on your cojones, you know what I'm saying? You can fuck around and do that shit at a festival, nigga. You could be a fucking roots picnic and be like, yo, bend over. You know what I'm saying?
I would love to exist in the universe where you think I could go to roots picnic, put Molly in my butt. And that shit is not on every blog on the internet.
Bro, just throw the fucking Halloween makeup from the fucking show. They'd be like, yo, this dude, that Swedish guy is wild.
Yeah, Jesus in disguise was putting. They definitely catch it on video. They probably add music to it and special effects.
What song is that they use for? It's that fucking stupid meme where like somebody falls down or whatever, and then it just like
something flies. Or
yeah, you know what I'm saying? That'll be it. It'll just be like the straw going in your butt, and it's just like you flying like.
Also, that sounds like a 2-person process.
It is.
So now I gotta get.
You need a Slurpee straw because the Slurpee straw got the scoop at the end. So you scoop with the scoopy part, and then. One time. You know what I'm saying? One time. But shorty's butthole gotta be like relaxed. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right.
You can't have shorty ass can't be tight because the butthole is just like
stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
You know what I'm saying? You can't have that. You gotta scoop it like a poisonous dart. You know what I'm saying? Straight to the anal. I've never done this before, by the way.
Oh, really? Really?
No, Yo, shout out to my guy Wickham. Yo, this dude pulled up to the function one time, talking about, yo, bro, bro, I feel fucking great. I said, yo, what'd you do, son? What the fuck? Like, you look wild. Like, it's 9 o'clock. Bro, I'm butt rolling, bro. You what? I'm butt rolling, bro.
So he put the pills in his butt?
Yeah. He put his fucking butt rolling.
Wow.
Nigga blew the E up his butt. That's when it was ecstasy and not Molly. You know what I'm saying? Molly's like new, cool. It's cool, new.
It's not new.
I mean, it's not new, but it's like nobody does.
Nah,
like,
there's no new.
If you pull up and you're like, yo, I got a triple stack fucking Ferrari, niggas gonna look. Oh shit, that's vintage. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I don't think any drug people think vintage. Maybe if you're like, hey, I got Quaaludes.
Look, if I go in my closet right now and I open up like all the North Face jackets from the early aughts, late 90s, early aughts, there's definitely at least 2 ecstasy pills in there. From
Yeah,
like,
they probably don't. They don't work.
They don't work anymore.
Listen, when I was moving from my old apartment, I found some old E-pills. I was like, let me see if these suckers work. And they was like, you thought?
Yeah.
They was like, fam, we got like a one year expectancy.
Yo, come on, bro. Try butt rolling.
They're like, look, okay, let me try something. You see dragons and tigers, right? Do you see them yet?
Yeah.
No.
How does your skin feel? Does it feel?
Are you thirsty?
Does it feel luxurious?
I was like, oh, do you have anxiety? No.
Yeah, no. What about your jaw?
Nothing.
Is it a little tightness?
Nothing.
Nothing. No.
No, it's like I found a bag of Reggie from let's say 04.
Oof.
Bro,
Might as well smoke a Newport, nigga.
that shit's not even Reggie. At that point, it's potpourri. At that point, I could just put it in a bowl in my bathroom next to some decorative soaps.
Like, yo, does your hamster need extra bedding? Like, here you go.
That's why we need to invent. No, we actually don't need to invent anything.
No, we don't.
We don't need to do anything, really.
We good.
Let's stay black and die.
Yeah. We just got, we got several trains on several tracks, bro. Like, we're good. We're good.
You know what?
Good.
I'm glad you said
good.
several trains on several tracks and not something about running trains. Because listen, we still clean.
We
Baby.
still good.
We still the Bible boys.
Let's go.
Listen,
Bible boys.
Listen, eventually,
You know
this,
what I'm saying?
this podcast is going to be squeaky clean, and you'll be able to listen to it in the car with your kids.
That's right. You know
And
what I'm
don't have
saying?
to worry about people talking about putting Molly in their butt. Like Molly
in your butt.
like Mero just did.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us.
Huh?
Who would have thought?
Not me.
Molly in your butt? Huh? Little scoop?
Molly in the butt. That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, no, he who has not put Molly in their butt, be the first to raise your hand.
Yeah.
G's like,
She's like, I mean, like specifically,
how was it inserted? Like, into the butt, or like,
what if like hypothetically like, you fell on it? It's like no.
What if there was like a straw that was standing straight up, and it was just full of Molly, and I just happened to sit on it? Straight up.
Oh man. Molly in the butt.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's what it's made for.
Whatever happened to Usher and the herpes? Is that like
He
something?
Eurostep that
Is
shit.
he just like is he just like I got herpes? Let's move on.
Yo, that's it.
Is that how it works now?
That's it, bro. Listen, I'm talking. See, we've been talking about it, and cancel culture, cancel. Yo, if herpes can cancel you, nigga,
That's true.
and nothing can cancel you.
Yeah.
But you know what? Out here and smashing everybody.
Usher has a lot of stock with us though, because we've had Usher from way back in the day. 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets. He makes songs like that, so that's what you go think of.
I'm in my drop top, spreading herpes.
Listen,
who here among us has not spread herpes? Let ye cast the first stone.
oh, that's what. But he's been warned. Remember, he had that song. You got it bad.
Yeah, let it burn. All that shit. Come on, like yo.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
What is that?
Thunderclap. Hey, thunderclap. Hey.
Oh,
come on, son. He was giving you all the clues. It was the thunderclap.
Yeah.
Not regular.
Yeah,
clap.
that song called "Love in the Club." Is that the new term for herpes? I got love in the club.
Yo, I got love in this club.
Be like, you got to call someone like, yo, I gave you love in the club.
Yo, listen, I blew that Molly up your butt in the bathroom stall. Somehow you got herpes. I don't know. Did you touch both ends of the straw?
you allowed to have kids? I'm literally gonna go to court and just play this. I'm just gonna play this. And they're gonna be like, they're gonna be like, so do you want custody? I was like, I don't want custody. I just don't want him to have them. I was like, I don't know, put them in a box or something, but he just shouldn't have kids. Like,
Yeah.
I'm like, give him, they want to the mother. I'm like, nah, because she married him, so no. I'm just taking your kids to my house. I'll be like, I'll be like, I don't know if y'all want some sneakers.
It's just like sleeping in sneakers, like sleeping on a pile of
They're
sneakers.
like, we're hungry. I was like,
Shit.
you know what?
Amazon automatic
not
kid feeder.
even. I got some Cheez-Its I took from set. So there's three of y'all. 1, 2. Here's your bag. And they're like, there's 4 of us. I was like, it's not 4. Wait. Fuck.
Oh shit!
Hold
damn.
on, stay right here. I'll be right back. Shit.
Yo, I'm probably slippery.
Oh my god, fuck. I'm trying to ask people in the building. I was like, hey, how's it going? You had a cool day? See anything weird around here? Like a Dominican Jewish toddler, like just walking around. No, just asking hypothetically.
Yeah.
Also, hypothetically, if you saw him, then there might be $100 reward.
You know what I'm saying? He might be singing Playboy Cardi. He responds to Amari.
Just walking around like trying to find him like a cat. I'm like, Amari, come here. Come here, little nigga. Where's the fucking baby at? Fuck.
Yo. At what age do dogs begin to go senile? Or like kind of I know that was a hard left because I'm wondering.
That wasn't a hard left. That was like when you're in the third lane and the person give you directions. It's like, this is the exit right now.
Like,
yeah. At what age? Wow, you think Brownie's going to see now?
Nah, I don't know. I don't think she's going to see now. I just think she can't see good.
Yeah, that happens.
Because like she'll just sit at the bottom of the steps like, yo, let me up the steps. And I'm like, you can go up the steps?
Yeah, but then they also get to a point. Sometimes they don't want to, they're like, no, I don't want to go up the steps.
Carry me. Yeah.
So
I'm like, bitch. And I did it twice and I'm just like, nah, I'm like, you can't.
Or you know what might have happened since you can't see well? She might have fell down the steps while you weren't there, and now she might be afraid of the steps.
Afraid of steps?
Yeah, that happens every now and then.
Yeah, damn, bro.
Is she afraid of the vacuum?
No.
Is she afraid of anything?
No, she's not. That's the shit that bugs me out because like my brother's dog, I would vacuum and the dog would go fucking hammer.
Is that what Blueberry?
Yeah.
That's the dog's name, right?
Yeah. She's mad.
I can't see. This dog is huge.
It's a dinosaur.
This dog is fucking huge. Like, I was at Mero's house and I couldn't get to his apartment because the dog was blocking the staircase. And I was like, what the fuck? Who's that big ass dog? And Mero was like, Blueberry. You can't, like, that dog's name should be Rex or King or fucking Doberman. His name is Blueberry, like custard, like,
when they got the dog, it was like this
small.
big. And it was like, oh, it looks like a little blueberry. Nah,
not
nigga.
so much.
3 weeks later, the motherfucker looked like a fucking foal.
Listen,
just running around the house.
If a dog on his back legs could put his front legs on your shoulder, like a nigga at Lennox Lounge, like, no, I don't want that. He was like, yo, let me talk to you, young blood. Yo. Let me help you to some things. I've seen some things. I used to have a coke flow in the 80s.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
If you can slow dance with your dog, then your dog is too big.
No, not if you can slow dance. If your dog makes you slow dance with him. He's like, let me get them cheeks. I'm like, whoa, stop. You come out the shower, the dog wait for you, like, oh, yeah. It's been a long day. It's been a long day.
Yeah, I've been licking my butt just for you.
I still feel that smelling people's butt shouldn't be an acceptable way of greeting the people.
It should or it shouldn't?
It should.
Yeah.
When did we decide that it's not?
Yeah, no.
Why are we like shaking hands is stupid and it spreads germs?
You can smell people's butts.
Yeah.
And then you kind of can gauge, like, okay.
You know, what they have for dinner. You know what I mean? They're just getting their back blown out.
Yeah. Everything. Yeah. If there's Molly in there, you know what I'm saying?
So, effectively, we've traded the porn references for Molly in the butt references.
Molly in the butt. Yo, try it. Try it. Listen, you only live once. Put Molly in your butt and go see a show. You know what I'm saying?
What show? Slave Play?
Shit, anything. Fucking no, nothing depressing.
Nothing depressing?
Nothing depressing.
Something good? Like something funny?
Like Cirque du Soleil or like some colorful shit. Like go see the Nutcracker or some shit. You know what I mean? Or go see
what? What's the story? What's this? I've never seen Nutcracker.
I don't know what the plot of Nutcracker is at all because every single time that I go, I am on drugs. So it's just like a light show with like ballet.
I had the saddest New York City Board of Education I was in like story ever because it was 3rd grade and we went to go see the Rockettes and the Nutcracker. And I don't know what happened. I guess the teacher got us there too early. So we had to like kill 2 hours in downtown Manhattan. And we were just like a group of kids and we're just sitting in a Wendy's. So then by the time it was time to go to the Rockettes, we got in there for 20 minutes. And she was like, all right, we got to get on the bus. And then they was just crying on the bus.
Wow.
And looking back, that teacher had to be maybe 21.
Fam.
So I get it now.
I was like, yo, as a former pedagogical motherfucker, like, yo, when they send you out, that's a suicide mission.
Yeah.
It's like, yo, take 40 little niggas from the Bronx down into the middle of Manhattan and keep them busy for all motherfucking day. Also, on the way back on the D train, make sure that they don't get off at their respective stops on their own and they go home back to school and you release them from school. I
definitely did that. I was like, oh, we by the 2. I was like, yo.
Yeah, I just go home from here.
I was like, I'll just get on the 2 train, take it to East 233rd, bro.
Yo.
I was like, I'm in the 4th grade. I could take the subway. I
don't need you.
It's nothing. Just hitting a pack of cools, like, yeah, it's whatever, bro.
Yeah,
just chiefing.
Just, practicing my arithmetic. You know what I'm saying? Just doing,
They want me to do a citywide test. That was like a citywide test.
DRP.
Suck my citywide. Anyway.
Yeah, that's right.
Anyway, listen, 10 more years till I get my working papers.
You tell
them.
Shit. Can't wait.
How's the wife?
Yeah, pregnant again.
It's 11.
Yeah. Just gave birth. Had a baby, 5th grade, 6th grade, here comes another one. Yeah.
This is the Bronx in like 1910. 1910? No, this is the Bronx this is the Bronx where there was like just 6 Irish people there. The Bronx family.
Niggas are playing hopscotch and fucking each other. That's it.
No, they still had on like tech suits and shit. They still had on Tim's.
Yo.
We're 4th out gold.
Yo.
My G.
Yo, word is bond.
Lay old year.
Yeah, Yo, word is bond. I'm trying to bust open them fucking. I'm trying to turn that butter.
I'm trying to pull your radish, ma. What's
you feel
up?
Me? Like, you know what I mean? Just like bloop.
What's up? Nigga, pull up with a horse cart, like.
You know what I mean? Like Mario 2, nigga. You just bloop, pull that motherfucker out.
Like, yo.
You know what I'm saying?
He's the finest guy in all of Bronx.
Oh my God.
He's 16 and he has all his teeth.
He has. Oh my.
He's a grandfather.
Oh my goodness. Oh. He's 16 years old his teeth. I don't know why I was gonna say he also has a horsey tail butt plug, but that was mad random.
You obsessed with butts today, boy. What's going on? Come on, let's sit down. Let's talk. Let's what's going on with you and what's going on with you butts?
I'm on some butt shit today.
Why?
I'm on some butt shit. I don't know. Just feeling assy.
You feeling assy?
You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you want to talk about ass. You know what I'm talking about ass?
Not so much.
Not so much.
Not to this level.
What are your topics to regard? Like, what are your favorite things to talk about?
News, current events. Not Molly in the butt. Not just butts all the time. Think about it. We've talked about colonoscopies. We talked about Molly in the butt. We talked about mouse in a Ducati going up your butt.
Mero wants to Heine all the time.
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
This podcast is a fucking tornado, and I love it. It's like, yo,
that's definitely gonna be in that little clip that we post on Instagram that says the video is ready. Oh, Mero.
Yo,
I would say you need an intervention, but this is how you make your money. So, the fuck? Who gonna check you, boo?
You know what I'm saying? Who gonna check me? You know what I'm saying? Blow some mile up your butt. Enjoy life.
When you die, I'm gonna shoot that video, and it's gonna stop and turn into a photo and turn gray, and it's just saying the year underneath it.
With angels like holding a bed and says, "Put Molly in your butt."
Molly in your butt. Put Molly in your butt. Mero.
The freaky pastor's doing the eulogy. He's like, this motherfucker here, he knew how to live life. He put Molly in his motherfucking ass. And I see some fine ass women up in here. And I would love to go to 7-Eleven, get me a Slurpee straw, and blow some Molly right up that end.
Also, the 7-Eleven Slurpee store, that's a lot of Molly.
Yeah, bro.
That's a lot of Molly.
That's a heavy dosage.
Is 7-Eleven, people still fuck with Slurpees?
I don't
mean,
know.
as
I
a
haven't
kid,
had one in a long time.
I used to like get Slurpees because that was met you outside of New York.
Yeah.
But now they got 7-Elevens in New York. So,
So it's like, wow.
it's not the same.
Yeah, it's different. And they had the free Slurpee day and shit.
Yeah.
And they had one on Tremont, and it was just like, yo, there's a 7-Eleven on Tremont. But then they started doing National Slurpee Day, bro, and it was a wrap. Because I'm like, yo, what is this? Is this like niggas applying for Section 8? Like, why is this line so long? And nah, niggas Slurpee.
Yeah. That was the same thing with they had one across the street from Evander. And not for long. But that was also like the Starbucks they had on Fordham Road that lasted, I want to say, it was like 6 months.
6 months, yeah. Because motherfuckers just, they're like, Papi, give me coffee. They're like, would you like a blonde roast, medium roast, dark
Coffee,
roast?
they put 99 cents on the...
Yeah, they're like, what's your name? You're like, why you want to know,
Wait,
nigga?
whoa, you snitching?
The fuck you? Why you asking my motherfucking name for? Huh?
All right.
Don't worry about my motherfucking name.
Also, shout out to my guy at Shake Shack yesterday. Yo, the chicken sandwich at Shake Shack, people be sleeping on that. It's
The
very
Chicken
good.
Shack? Oh, that shit is fire.
Because you know what? Because Popeye's coming back with their sandwich, coming back on Sunday.
Yeah.
And it's just like, no, you heard us.
Shake Shack is a dark horse in, in that race.
Chick-fil-A is the nigga that cheated on your friends, and we are all your friends in the group chat.
Yep.
And we're like, yo, don't go back to that nigga. Do not go back to the nigga. You're better than him.
Yeah.
And the friend was doing better.
Yeah.
The friend was starting to go back out.
Too late.
She might have found a new guy, whatever. Things is looking up.
Then Chick-fil-A just pop up like, yo,
What's
what
up?
Yo, what's good? WID, 3 a.m.
Yo, what's up?
You a little tipsy. You like,
No.
I don't know.
But just put a couple of laughs after her Instagram story.
Yeah, like, ha, ha, ha.
Oh, I see you still do that. Oh, I see you still go there. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? All up in the comments, like, yo.
And then you get that text in the group chat like, Chick-fil-A hit me up. Everyone's like, don't go, no,
stop.
No.
Don't do it. Don't go
good.
back there. Don't go back there. But Chick-fil-A got you dickmatized.
Dickmatized.
You know what I'm saying?
Because he came over to get his MacBook charger.
Yeah.
And you was like, yo, I'm gonna wear these shorts that show him a poom poom.
Yeah.
And now, next thing you know, you're getting your back blown out.
Yep. Chick-fil-A
You know?
knew what he was doing. He came over with the Nike basketball shorts with the half a chub.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Came,
Like,
through with the Nike slides.
Yeah.
But she knew what she was doing because she put on HBO The Watchmen and ain't nobody trying to watch that shit.
Yeah,
And that shit was just
exactly.
on in the background while you getting your back blazed on out.
Chick-fil-A's like, yeah, hold that. Hold that sauce. Hold that sauce. Yeah.
Hey, you know what? He blew your back out, but now it's a little different.
Yep.
He's been with other people.
Yeah.
And he ain't go get a towel for you. He just left you there.
He said some different shit.
Wow.
He used to be
in
like,
your head,
yo,
you're just like, wow.
Wow.
Shit changed.
Wow, you used me.
Because you can go back, but you can never go back.
You know what I'm saying? No.
Did we just write a Tyler Perry movie?
We absolutely did.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Chick-fil-A is the dark-skinned villain.
Yeah.
And Shake Shack is the light-skinned hero that comes and saves you at the end of the day. Yo, Tyler, let's talk about that, bro.
Okay.
Because I mean, like, listen, I won't turn down a light-skinned hero role, but
This
like,
is a
we
whole
gotta talk
movie
about
right
this.
here. This is a movie right here. Yeah, that's right. I sold your family for crack, and now I'm gonna drive your Ultima.
Keisha, you deserve so much better than this. Let's go to church together.
Credits.
I love you.
Credits. Yo,
I'm always dressed like business casual all the
while
time.
you're bullshitting, is Sierra's life not an actual Tyler Perry movie?
Facts.
Think about it.
Facts.
Think about it. Dark skin guy, all types of drugs.
All types of
got
drugs
mad
and shit.
kids.
Man, foul from Atlanta.
Okay.
Then she got this nigga from Seattle. Nigga went to college. Nigga went to
love God.
Stanford.
Nigga love God, love his wife.
Oh my God. Dog. And then he's like, yo, I turn a black eye when I need it to. You know what I'm saying? When I'm getting my hair braided.
He gets his hair braided at Supercuts.
How you get your hair braided at Sport Clips, nigga? You watching yourself on TV and get your hair braided by fucking Blair?
How fucked up is it that we make fun of Sierra finding a good guy? We're like, yo, fuck her. She's happy.
Toxic masculinity.
Look at her happy with someone who loves her. That's just whack.
That's just corny.
Boo.
Oh, misery.
Matter of fact, let me go listen to the future. Yeah. Oh, 9. Oh, he has 9 kids now, huh?
Oh,
Okay,
wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, all right.
How is having kids with our future like getting a ticket from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Like, I don't think these women are even having sex. I think they just wake up and there's a baby in the crib.
Yo,
like,
what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Do we have sex? He's like, no, I'm a wizard. The wizard.
You got a future baby. Take it, wrap it up and take it home.
Take it
home. Don't let anyone stop you.
No.
Get home.
Don't let it see the light of day.
I gotta go to take it. But then he's not also paying money for the kids, so
Nah.
that works out.
Yeah, no, it does.
Yeah.
It's true. Yeah, he's chilling.
Because I didn't realize, like, if you're a deadbeat dad, that's the worst thing that happens. Like, people just call you a deadbeat dad. There's no other consequences. Maybe you go to jail if like her friend works in the court system. But other than that, you're good.
Maybe.
What happens? And then you tweet, and niggas like, yo, take care of your kid. And after 2 weeks, you get used to that. You be all right. Fuck it.
You think Robert Sicano gives a fuck about
They don't give a shit about that.
him being on the front page like, yo, he only said $600.
Matter of fact, if you're not sending your kid any money, you kind of forget they're there. So you just get back to your normal life.
out of sight, out of mind. You know what I'm saying?
Say less.
Bang. See you later, jerk. and then when they become successful, you want to run back in your life like, hey, listen, your mother tried to keep me from you.
You know what I'm saying? All I wanted to do was have a relationship with
That's
you.
it.
You know? And that's that on that. Oh.
Yo, shout out to everybody out there weaponizing children.
That's what they're there for. It's not about raising a little human. It's for insurance. All right?
He's just talking to you, coaching your spitting mad propaganda to your kids like, yo, listen.
Like, yeah. Oh, so how was your time at mommy's house? Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah?
Oh, okay.
Do you have any friends over?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Oh.
Do you think daddy could take him?
Yeah? What do you think? Yeah?
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, you think daddy's a bitch ass nigga?
Oh, I'm a bitch ass nigga?
Huh?
Oh, okay. I'm
right.
gonna show you what a bitch ass nigga look like.
Wait, did I just put a gun out on the kid?
Let's get in the car. I'm gonna drop you off a little bit early today.
Give him the gun like, little nigga, you gotta do some work. Okay? This ain't no baseball team you walk in and walk off.
Nigga walks in, he's like, hey, Peter. Hey, asshole.
My dad says hello.
Keep the change, you fucking piece of shit.
I'm like, what'd you do? We both live here. It's joint custody.
Oh, shit. Damn. All
right.
Oof.
All right, get the bone saw.
Yeah. Get some tarp and some boats off.
Oh, yeah, tarp. But, see, that's the problem. Like, Rickle, you can buy tarp at, right? Not Rickle, at Home Depot.
Yeah.
Do they sell... Oh, they do sell saws.
They sell saws. They sell saws that can cut through steel.
But if you
So
buy them at the
cut through
same time,
steel-
the cashier is going to be like, so what you got to do, like, I'd let you buy the tarp and then I'd buy the saws.
And then the bonus to that is that we could both use a coupon. You know what I'm saying? Because they always hit you with the
savings.
You know what I'm saying? Because they always hit you with that, yo, only one coupon per customer.
Yeah.
Woo.
What is where will we bury the body? Where's a good place?
As a dude that has gotten super duper high and lost in Jersey, yo, perfect for dumping a body.
Yeah.
Once you get through the tunnel and you're like around Giant Stadium,
Yeah.
yo, there's so much fucking just like shit that looks like wheat. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
But it's just mad swamp. Like you could just walk up and throw some like 100 boots on, you know what I'm saying? If you want to be like, you know, book club white lady shit.
Yeah.
And just throw on 100 boots and just walk in there like, yo, this is where we gonna bury this motherfucker right here. Boom. Boom. Throw him in there.
We should become hitmen.
Murderers?
We should become hitmen. Because think about it, like, no one would believe it was us.
True.
Like, think about how excited people would be to see us before they got killed.
Like, yo.
Like, oh, shit, I
we
fuck
take
with-
the mask off like, yo.
Just like, yo.
Brandon Strong.
The Brandon Strong. Bam!
Hold that, motherfucker.
Shoot someone at a Little League game.
Skull wasn't strong.
Yo. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for watching Desus Mero.
Hey.
Like, if someone came and was like, yo, Desus Mero shot my father at a Little League game.
The fuck out of here.
See?
That shit ain't happen.
This is not happening.
Fucking lying ass motherfucker.
Leave some merch. I was like, here's a little kid here. Have a bobblehead. He got mad blood on his face.
Enjoy. Here's a water bottle. It'll keep your drink cold for up to 12 hours.
Woo. Savings. Yeah. No, it'd probably be a logistical thing. Like scheduling thing. We gotta do the show.
The show and
then like,
obligations and
you know,
shit.
imagine we're like in a makeup chair and shit, and like then we gotta go kill somebody.
Yeah, it's like boop, boop, boop. Yo, you gotta murk this nigga. Damn, we're going at 5.
We got a hard out.
Yeah, it becomes like we're walking at 5. I'm like, oh, can we just like push back? We gotta murk somebody. You know
we come back on set, we got mad blood on us.
Yo, what up?
Sasha got to use like the wet wipes to take it off.
Yo, what'd you do? Why?
I was like, we had to murk somebody.
Did you eat with this on? What'd you eat?
Trying to dry it with the hairdryer. It's little things, yo.
You know what I'm saying? That's what makes a good TV production. You know what I'm saying? It's production value. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to say anything about butts. I almost did. But I'm not.
What's going on with you and butts, bro?
I don't know. I'm farting a lot.
Okay, that's not even like.
I'm gonna keep it real. I'm farting a lot. Maybe that's what's making me think about butts. Is that
Why?
I'm farting a lot.
Did you change your diet?
You know what? I did. I haven't taken my fucking fiber supplement in like a week, dog.
What?
I just forgot.
So you want to get diverticulitis again?
No. That shit
So-
sucks.
So you're not taking your fiber. You're not getting a colonoscopy.
Sorry, Dad.
You know what the crazy thing is? That would be cool if it was me, because literally, if I die, my cat and dog go somewhere else.
Okay.
I can think of 5 reasons you should probably do those things.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
But you're just like, I forgot. Was it not painful? Wasn't the pain enough to send you to the emergency room?
Yeah. Oh, it was pretty bad. It was bad.
But you
It was bad.
forgot.
I forgot. Or maybe listen. Maybe it's an intervention. Maybe it's a drug-seeking behavior. Maybe I want to give myself diverticulitis so I can end up in the ER and get flying off that dilaudid again.
So you're saying you're Rue from Euphoria. I see it. I'm about to call Zendaya like, he's still on your shit.
Yo.
He's trying to stick.
Yo.
We're doing Euphoria. We're doing a knockoff Euphoria on Showtime. It's the same shit, but it's just us. They're like, they're too old to be in high school.
Yo, why they in high school? They got full beards.
What's up, fellow kids? You want to do drugs?
Yo, what's poppin', nigga? Yo, what you got now?
Yo, can I catfish you on Grindr
on
and then I guess blackmail you, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, put some Molly in your butt. I'm doing that this weekend. I don't care. Hasan, you see me at Locksmith acting strange.
You're doing what this weekend? Getting some fiber, take your medicine, get like good at your colonoscopy? No, you can put Molly in your butt.
Put Molly on my butt. It's the same thing as it combines all 3 of those things in one.
Wait till your funeral. Your funeral is gonna be my version of Michael Jordan's Hall of Fame speech. All right, I'm gonna flame you.
Time out. If I put Molly in my butt, won't that just make the powerless mad happy? Like they'll just be in there
It's gonna turn it into a rave. You don't want that.
Yo, it's like my whole ass will be Ibiza.
No,
You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be like inside your intestines, like dances
You know
is
what I'm
DJing,
saying?
and they're gonna be like, yo,
welcome
turn
to
it
the
up.
party. Welcome
Turn
to
it
the
up,
party.
turn
Welcome
it
to the
up.
party.
All right, and they're all gonna be jumping up and down. You're like, my stomach.
Oh shit! Yo, hold on, Frankie Knuckles has got a set coming up. Yo, it's a classic shit. Deep inside, deep down inside, yeah. Come on, strictly rhythm in my rectum. Let's go.
Puerto Rico. Brown down.
Little craft work and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Just definitely at a club. I'm like, how? I'm like, wait.
Yo, this club is lit, but it smells like shit.
I'm like, am I the oldest person in this club? They're like, you remember the song? Your father used to party to this. I was like, I had a drug flow when this shit. The fuck? Like, we gonna put on some old school. I'm like, yeah, finally. Then they be like, let me hear your bump. I was like, that's B2K.
That's not old school. That's not.
What is that?
The fuck?
I think the girl you dancing was like, I remember I had this tape at high school. I was like, how?
Bitch?
What are you? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
They're not underage, but they're just at that weird age where you can't talk to them about anything. Everything you say, they're like, oh, wow, I heard of that before.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, you remember 8th Street when they had papayas?
Yeah, my dad told me about it.
I saw that in Sex and the City. I'm like, oh Jesus.
God.
Jesus.
Oh, God.
I'm like, yeah, remember you used to walk around with a token in case you ran out of money?
Yeah, remember that?
No, I think I've always had a Metro card. Yeah. At school. I'm like, this girl's you fucking young girl.
Oh, God damn it. We have nothing in common, but you're fucking... Just put Molly in my butt. You know how to do it one time.
I feel like this is what happened. This is how Cuba Gooding Jr. happened. Like people
putting Molly in his butt?
Well, probably that, yes. But I feel like nobody checked him. It was like, sir,
you're
doing a lot.
You have to stop drinking and putting Molly in your butt.
What do you think was the movie where people couldn't tell Cuba anything anymore? What movie do you think after that he was like, yo, fuck you. I am Cuba Gooding Jr.
Oh, Jerry Maguire.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
There's like the Show Me the Money. Mm-hmm. To this, yo.
to this day.
Niggas say that shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like, that was it.
That was it.
You know what I'm saying? And then after that, he was just like, he had a
some
bunch
good
of
ones. He had Boys in the Hood.
Yeah.
He had Jerry Maguire.
Yeah.
He had some bad ones.
He did. Snow Dogs. Comes to mind.
Snow Dogs. Only
I'm like, let me get, so you're a black Eskimo Inuit racer guy? Okay.
I only bring up Snow Dogs because Disney were still available for Snow Dogs too.
I'm just saying, who let the dogs out? Earth. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no!
You know what I'm saying?
All these dogs need passports if we're going to Jamaica.
Oh no! Oh Dios mío! We have to enter in the West Indian sledding dog race, papi.
It's the only way to win.
We have to combine forces because we don't only have 4 stray dogs from Dominica and 4 stray dogs from Jamaica. We can do it.
Let me Google snow.
Let's do it.
I have like the wild dread wig.
I got the wild like fucking Dominican punch down shirt with like 4 pockets in the front. The wild guayabera.
We filmed the whole thing in like Ohio.
They're like, yo, that's at the Jamaica. That's Dayton.
They're like, yo, why that beach got manholes?
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, why these niggas in Cincinnati?
Oh shit. Who's the rival race? The rival
Russia.
sled dog. Yeah, who's the sled dog captain for Russia?
Gotta be Putin.
Nah, gotta be someone popping. Gotta be like an actor or actress.
Like an actress? Okay.
It's Lizzo with a Russian accent.
Yeah.
Yes. Why do good when they need to be great? Listen, $235 million opening weekend.
Opening week.
Go.
Just
Let's
in New York.
fucking go.
Just from white women.
Oh. He's allowed to say that because he regularly intercourses a white woman, his wife. That's your pass.
You know what I'm saying?
That's you know how they like don't use the race card? You literally have a race card. You have a race.
I'm like, hold that.
You know how like when you see white people on the train, they have all the snow lodge, the ski passes,
all the little badges and shit. I'm like, yo,
Jewish,
I got
white
the Star
woman.
of David, like all that shit, nigga. What? Because I use them shits mad dramatically, like Yu-Gi-Oh. Like I just pull them shits out, like yo, whoosh. Whoosh, ally. I'm using my ally card. It's undefeatable.
Oh, Mero. Oh, Mero was filmed in front of a live CBS studio audience.
Who will have Molly in their butt.
Molly in the butt. And I'm like, yeah, so see, he repeatedly kept mentioning Molly in the butt. And they're like, so you just want his kids taken? I'm take them the fuck away. Just put them anywhere. Just get them away from him. Take him away and take away his chains. Matter of fact,
no, don't do that to me.
Take the chains and then put the kid and make him choose between them.
Wow.
Well, what is it going to be? Huh?
Wow.
Huh? Who you love, your kids or your chains?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
See? You can't do that to a Bronx nigga.
Yeah, what's up?
No, you can't. No.
What's up? And Peckus is watching.
Oh!
You getting them chains and them kids. Because listen, you could always replace those kids. You can't replace those chains. Or is it the other way? No, that's the right way.
I take the kids. The chains are insured.
Let me see something. Let me see. It's not a boo in here. Wow. Keeping the kids. You hate to see it.
I mean, listen.
See it.
But
kids
listen,
don't got drip.
This is what happens. Like I always say, kids are like raffle tickets. You might hit a lick. You know what I'm saying? And then I'll feel like an asshole. I'll be like, damn, I kept the chains instead of the leading fucking
But kids can
RBI
also,
fucking
kids
Yankees.
could be raffle tickets, but they could also be credit card bills.
That's true. But you know what I'm saying? It's just like you got to roll the dice.
Like, what if your kid has like some weird condition where they can't taste salt, and now you have to go and buy like a lot of I don't know if this is a real thing. I don't know.
Like yeah, no, it is.
Or what if your kid has like let me see.
Like they can't smell?
Yeah. So now you gotta like quit your job. You have to take them around the world and explain sense to them. And
like I put like flower petals on their tongue and shit. Like
and you'd be like, "This is what it would taste like. This is what it would smell like." Yes.
You couldn't make the connection. And it's just like Pursuit of Happiness. When they're at the end, like he smells.
I've never seen that movie.
Me neither. I just seen gifs of Will Smith crying.
I get the gist of it. Yeah,
it's like, yo, Jada Smith is sad. They're homeless.
If you can't figure out a Will Smith movie from like 4 screenshots, I don't know what to tell you, bro.
Yo, if you can't figure this shit out from the first 3 seconds of the trailer, like, dog, you shouldn't be watching movies.
Do you remember there was a movie where Will Smith kissed another guy?
Yes. I think it was 7 pounds, was it?
No, that wasn't 7 pounds. It was like Temptation or something. But you know the thing is, it wasn't necessary for the movie.
He just did it just to do it?
No, it didn't add anything to the movie.
It was just like, yo, controversy.
It wasn't even controversial. It wasn't that
What
good a
year was
movie.
that?
That was like 1961.
He's like, a colored man kissed another man.
Yeah, I was like, oh, they kissed. Like, the whole time I was like, this movie's not any good.
It's that.
I was like, that's gotta be the worst shit. If you're working on a bad movie and then they're just like, yo, kiss.
Yo.
Like imagine we were on like they was like, yo, today,
all
right.
They just like all the writers are huddled together, like the director, everybody. They just leave us out. They have a closed door meeting. They're like, yo, listen, this shit ain't working.
Yeah.
We got to do something.
Kissing on set isn't cool because I had to do that.
We got to make him kiss.
It was a Aquafina show. I had that bedroom sketch that I had to do multiple takes of kissing Shorty, and I was like, "Yo, what the fuck?" I was like, "Yo, I'm getting a wild hard on." Like, I was like, "I know we're supposed to be professionals, but like, I gotta get out this bed, nigga." Like,
Dog, I couldn't. I don't know.
No, that's
I don't
not.
know. I would have to wear like a jock strap or some shit.
Something.
Like, yeah.
I was just rubbing saltpeter on my dick. Like,
Yo,
yeah, go down,
for real,
yeah.
dog. I'm putting Fabuloso on my shit.
This ain't the place for you.
Yeah, nah.
Get out of here.
I would just have to do mad coke or like do something. Like,
Shout out to Shorty. She's married now, got a kid.
Oh,
and the whole time I still follow her on Instagram. I'd be like, I was all over your mouth. Yeah. Just looking
Like
at a
him, yeah, that
picture of
kid.
her husband. I was like, yeah, I was your first nigga.
yeah. Oh, you're the Ray J.
I was a Ray J. Put on the glasses like, bloop.
So wait, you full on kiss? Like it wasn't like the fake TV kiss where it's just like
Full on tongue French kissing, tongues wrapping around.
What? Okay.
Oh, you know what it was? Because it was
Okay,
like
baby.
it was on some I don't even know if it still exists because it was like on one of those platforms.
Oh
that closed down, so.
yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna try to remember the name.
Yeah.
But I know what you're talking about.
You know
it was like a
what's
phone one.
Yeah, one of those things.
Yeah.
Like one of those like Voo or Jew or Blue or
Blue
Blue or
Doo.
Blue or Baby
Blue
Shark or
Hoobadoo.
Blue
Yeah.
Hoobadoo.
Or
That's when the blessings come in. That's when the blessings come in.
that's who should use that as a fucking thing? Who about to shit my mouth when the blessings come in? 6 months free. You know what I'm saying?
6 months free.
What does Hulu do? Yo, this is the scam. I still have cable and I'm not getting rid of cable because now the scam is you got to fucking sign up to 16 different streaming services to watch shit. That's a scam. It's a very clear scam. America, what's going on? Like, what are y'all doing? Just get the it doesn't matter you don't use a landline phone. Just get a fucking triple play and keep it moving, bro. You want to watch the next in 720p, HP, HD, whatever the fuck? Just get cable, dog. And also include Showtime in your package and watch the number one show late night decent amount.
Yes, person on cable recommends that people without cable get cable.
Yes. Yes. Yes, because cord cutting is not really cord cutting.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's still the Ethernet cable there. You know what I'm saying? It's just invisible now because they call it Wi-Fi. You know what I'm saying?
You don't really understand how technology works.
Dude, you know what? That's what happens when you put Molly in your butt at 6 a.m. I didn't, but so I'm.
It's a fraud.
Now I'm like, yo, maybe I should have.
Nah, I mean, yeah, you know, I didn't even realize all this time I've been paying for Hulu, I've been paying for all those services, like, but I mean, I'm on them, so fuck, what am I complaining about? Like, we can't. This is the thing, like, when you complain about stuff on this podcast, you have to remember you make significantly a lot more than the regular listener.
Yeah, but it's
So
still it's the West Indians will never die.
Nah, people are just like, wow, we're gonna rob him.
Yeah, you could try. Give it a shot.
What would you be more afraid of if they took your chains or your kids?
Probably my kids.
Yeah, okay.
Probably my kids.
Are your kids insured?
Even though, I think so.
Like insured for like what, bro?
But my kids are dicks. So it's just like whoever would take them would bring them back like probably within like half an hour.
I mean, are you sure of that, bro?
Probably, yeah. Because I
got a long tolerance for kids. Like,
yeah,
like
not my kids are different. My kids are
when
dick.
your kid has like a really deep voice, right?
Yeah,
That's kind of
for a reason. And he's not
like where your kids right now.
Yeah, like it'll be that situation where it's like, yo, child predator gets children, and then they find them and they got him tied up, and they put shit in his butt.
It's crazy, but like I asked where they're at right now. Like, bro, Hasan said we got to end soon. I got some free time this afternoon. I just want to. You know,
Yo,
I might take you to the KB Toys.
yo, I'm telling. Listen, dog. I was like, yo, my kids are so fat. My kids curse. They're like. They're good kids.
I love how you say your kids curse like you have nothing to do with that.
I mean,
Uncle Victor, yeah!
hooray! But yeah, no. I mean, yeah, no. I probably have everything to do with
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Except
yeah.
the middle finger. I never do the middle finger.
You know what? They probably just
I've never done the middle finger in my life.
Does Heather do the middle finger?
No.
So where did they get it from?
School. Their peers. Like, I've never done this in my life.
Yeah, that
Like, think about it.
Yeah.
Like, is that like a Bronx thing? Like, yo, like, fuck you.
Fuck
Like,
you, bro.
Yeah, eat it.
I'm Johnny Cash.
Eat shit.
Okay,
yeah, like,
yeah.
yeah, nah. I never do that. I'll be like, yo, fuck out of here.
Yeah, when was the last time I stuck up a middle finger? Oh,
feel
maybe
me?
like drunk in a club photo. Like,
Fuck y'all. You know what I'm
niggas,
saying? We got
yeah.
bottles.
Yeah. Why do we do that?
I don't know.
Why
are we so angry at the person?
Why
that
we having a good time when we angry in the photo? Like, fuck y'all niggas, yeah.
fuck y'all.
It's my nigga right here.
Y'all love this nigga, but fuck y'all.
Also, the idea of like, we're taking a picture of the club because our friend purchased the bottle. Like, you don't do that in the liquor store. You don't be in the liquor store like, yo, I just got the absolute, my nigga.
Yo,
What's up?
you're a shop right like, yo, nigga, I got 2 heads of cabbage.
Yo,
What?
all my niggas drinking Arizona iced tea on me. And then you're paying like 4 times how much liquor costs in the club on a Thursday night. Like,
what are you doing? What are you doing?
And somehow that makes you attractive to women?
Yo, listen.
It's not like, yo, that nigga is wasting money. It's like, oh, he's spending.
Oh.
Like, okay? Because, you know, if I come to the club with a Groupon, shit's different. You know what I'm saying?
Now shit's different. Now I gave you the little piece of paper that I clipped out of the thing. I had a little thing. I had scanned a little QR code. And now you mad, motherfucker? We still in the same club? We still in the VIP?
The VIP, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Actually, the flex is when the whole club is VIP.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there's no VIP.
Yeah. There's no photographs. It's a true sign of like, yo, this shit is popping.
True.
You know what I'm saying?
True sign.
You know what I'm saying? And it's like, yo, no smoking, but it's like, yo, you could if you want. Like, yo, you can also do coke at the table if you want. You know what I'm saying?
Or
We're
you
not
can
gonna
put
talk about
what?
it. Molly in your butt.
That's right.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
That's apparently our new sponsor. No longer sponsored by Cash App. We are now sponsored
Molly in your
by
butt.
Molly in your fucking butt. Works every time. Works every time.
Yo, Billy D. Got some new for you, B. You know what I'm saying? Molly in your butt works every time.
Works every fucking time.
Is he problematic? He's not problematic, right?
He's dead.
Oh, he died?
Yeah.
No, Billy D. Williams is dead?
Bro, do you watch the news at all?
No, you lying to me now. Because you said the other day, like, yo, like fucking Barry Sanders died or some random shit
No,
like
I said
that.
I got Barry Sanders and Bernie Williams
Or
confused.
you said somebody else, like fucking Derek Jeter died or some shit, and you had me going for like
I did
10
not
seconds.
say that. I said Shaggy died at the
Shaggy,
Gulf War.
oh yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah. You had me going for like 10 seconds. I was like, stop
No,
it.
Billy D. Williams is dead. So
When did he pass?
he passed August 6th.
Of this year?
Yes. What? Are you shocked? He was 82.
Oh shit, damn, dog.
Yeah.
He just always looked mad, like young. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it was like the Pat Riley haircut or what.
Probably. Yeah, because he was like Lando from Star
Yeah,
Wars.
it's just like, this nigga can't die.
Rest in peace.
Yo, R.I.P. to the God. You know what I'm saying? Billy D. Williams, mad smooth.
Sorry, he ain't died, nigga. Watch the news. What's wrong with you? Tired of having to tell you who's alive and who's not.
What? Nigga, you don't want the laptop?
I don't know, but you should know this on top of your head. You not knowing if Billy D. Williams was dead is anti-black.
I think the Colt 45 ass is anti-black.
No, those are pro-black. Okay? You gotta get your own. They used to advertise 40s. Nobody was like, what the fuck?
Yo, y'all advertising malt liquor, dog.
40 ounces of malt liquor. In what world are you supposed to sit down and enjoy, like, you supposed to sip that during a baby shower?
Dog, imagine that pitch meeting in 2019, 2020. Yo, 40 ounces of malt liquor. Tagline, works every time.
Yeah, and we're selling it directly to black people.
That's right. All right, so the setup is this. Billy D comes in, right?
Yep.
Strapping, tall, dark, and handsome.
Beautiful guy.
Beautiful guy.
A lot of hair.
Silky voice. Woman comes in. He gives her the alcohol. She drinks it, gets drunk, Then he looks straight to camera and says, works every time.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Love it.
Let's do it. Let's run it.
Love it. Boom.
Not problematic at all. Let's go. Whoa. You do that shit 2020 niggas will be like, yo.
Imagine sending out that tweet and the replies to it. Nigga. You just gotta throw your phone away like, yo.
Yo, it's over. I'm done.
Yo. After that, you gotta drop a drink called consent. Don't taste the same. I'm like, nigga, this is Nouveau. This is Nouveau. What the fuck?
Yo, get out of my head. Get out of my head.
Yo, it's been episode 177. Wow.
That nigga just changed the label on the Nouveau. I recognize the shape of the bottle.
Just want you to know, we went 1 hour and 16 minutes without talking about Pinot.
Right.
Yeah. We are cured. The blessings.
That's when the blessings come in.
The blessings came in. That's right. Woo.
Yeah.
So yeah, but they're gonna be like, you just talked about fucking putting Molly in your butt. That's not porno. It's not porno.
It's not porno.
It's not porno.
It's not porno.
It's different. It's different.
You know what I'm saying?
It's different. It's kind of is porno, but it's different.
Also, Jean said that she did not raise her hand when we said, have you ever not put Molly in your butt? So that got me on that path. Shout out to Jean for being an influencer.
Have you ever not put Molly?
Yeah, like never have I ever. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, never have I ever put Molly in my butt. And
where would I ever play that game? Like in bookings?
College?
Where do you play college? I went to college in New York City. This is what my college life was like. Oh shit, I'm late for class. Get out of class. Oh shit, I'm late for work.
Oh, you didn't dorm?
Okay. Dorm? In New York City? Why the fuck would I dorm in New York City?
I don't know.
What am I going to like fucking?
I don't know. I watched too much TV. I was like, dorming looks cool. All you do is smoke weed.
I lived on the same bus line as my school. Like, all right, Mom, I'll see you on Sunday.
I'm gonna take the bus back.
She's like passing me on the bus while she's going to work. Like, hey, Mom.
Shout out to Hunter College for having a staircase that goes directly into the train station, making evading police mad easy. Shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Helped me out a lot.
Like 30 years ago?
Yes.
All right.
When I was 5.
I don't know. You tell these stories. I'm trying to sync these up. I don't know because I'm like, well, okay.
I was 5 years old and discovered putting Molly in my boat would make me a genius, and then I got accepted into a CUNY school.
Okay, there's a reason why that show did not run on TGI Fridays. Okay.
Oh god.
I definitely wrote and I was like, okay. I believe the premise that he's a child and a doctor, but that idea that he's Dominican, come on, bro, come on, it's 1996.
He's like, yo, Mike, it's not sports related, but you see this show with the fucking Latino kid? I think he black Latino. I don't know what the fuck he is, but he's a fucking doctor. He's 5 years old. It's a fucking doctor. It's unbelievable. At least if it was like like an Oriental kid or something, I might, I might believe it.
Listen, I'll let you do that on your own over there. Okay. Listen,
you can't tell me that half the motherfuckers I call into Mike Francis don't call Asian players Oriental. Or some wild problematic shit.
You know what? I didn't want to have to do this on this actual podcast, but I'm quitting. I feel I no longer am a match for you on this, and I just wish you the best of luck. And I know who you should do this podcast with. Cuba Gooding Jr. Okay? Right? No, we removed it. We removed it.
Damn.
Okay?
Why did you do
Because you're a
that?
savage. You are a mouse.
That's when the blessings come in.
Come on.
Yo, it's been episode 177. The last episode of Bodega Boys.
That's right. Somebody suck
right.
that baby's dick.
Be sure next week to look out for the new podcast, Molly in Your Butt, featuring Mero and Cuba Gooding Jr. if he doesn't go to jail. Yo.
Special guest Jane in the building.
Yo, it's been your boy Jesus Nice, aka Yo Chipotle, aka Pockets Stay Fat Like Cheerio, aka Pockets Stay Fat Like. Here we go. Hey. That's right. Catch me at the Teen Choice Awards, smoking the fat one with one of the Jonas Brothers. How many Jonas Brothers are there? 3?
3.
There's 3, right?
Nick, Curly, and Mo.
There you go. Can anyone name a Jonas Brothers song? Anyone?
Shit.
Jealous? Jealous? Is that a real song? How's it go? I am jealous.
That song's actually, it might be low-key problematic. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous. He's like talking about how like he can be a wild dickhead because he's jealous.
Essentially Chris Brown.
Maybe not that far.
Wow.
No, new Chris Brown. No. Let's not revisit the ghosts.
Is there such a thing as new Chris Brown?
Who knows?
Okay.
Find out on episode 178 of the Bodega Boys podcast.
Some of that might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, JJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Arando, 1994 Nueva York, Mikhail going off the Juve Post, MC Little Gunga P pulling up with 40 with your shorty. Woo. Don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you, and also I have Uber Platinum.
That's
I
right.
understand. I order Uber X. Why is there another person in here?
Why?
They're like, that's my wife. I was like, oh,
is that your wife?
oh wow.
Is that your wife?
Nice to meet you, Chance.
Hey. I love her. Hey.
Oh, I love my wife. I love my wife. Hey. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss on that fact.
No.
Hey, shout out to what gala did we go to? And we went to a gala, and the person at the door was like, "What's your name?" And I just looked at him, and I was like, I see that iPad. I see that iPad has my photo right there. We're not doing this.
No.
We're not doing this. Those days are over.
Look at the photo.
All right?
Look
The
at
clothes, floors, and the machines. The dog days are over. Okay?
Yeah.
Look at this fucking clothes.
Yeah.
And then the lady next to him was, just let him in. He's either Desus or Mero.
Yo, shout out to the guy yesterday in the street that was like, yo, Desus. Fuck
Yes.
y'all niggas, yo.
I was walking Mac, and this lady was like, you're either Jesus or Mero. And I was like, you're stupid. I was like, you're stupid, but you know what? If you told anyone this story, they're not going to believe it. I punched her mad hard. I punched her mad hard in the shoulder, and I was like, yeah. Tell people Jesus punched you.
Yeah. I dare you.
I do that now. I go into hospitals, and like I go to visit like cancer kids, and then when people aren't looking, I pinch them.
Man, hard,
No, I
right?
don't do that. Don't do that. they're like, why would you do that?
That's mad mean.
It's like, yeah, but they got to meet They got to meet a celebrity. Meanwhile, the cancer kid's like, hey, he's better than Steve Sharippa.
Yo,
Steve Sharippa just coming through with a hoagie like, hey, sorry about the cancer.
What's up, bro?
That,
Yeah.
you'll be all right.
Shit. You want me to recreate the Columbus Day episode of Sopranos?
That was a good one. Hey, you know what? The Knicks, they got to play Frank Smokes more.
That's right. They do.
Yeah.
They do. I mean, I probably would know more about the Knicks if I ever left the Lopez steak sandwich station.
Yeah, you ever get out to Madison Square Garden, kid? No. Oh no, the cancer.
You can't.
You gotta stay at St.
Well, maybe
Jude's.
we'll roll. I mean, I'm a big guy.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll roll a bed in there.
No, because the seat next to me is for Edie Falco. So sorry. All right, I gotta go. They're playing Celtics
Take it
tonight.
easy.
Friday night next time, got to get there. Let's just hit that with the problem. These are Rossi and Jamaican Jew, Jermaine avocado. Are there any Jewish holidays coming up other than Hanukkah?
Yeah.
What? This nigga don't know.
Shakut.
Is that the festival of charcuterie?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I remember that. I remember that from in Hebrew school. I remember there was like in temple and the charcuterie plate lasted 13 days. Yes. I remember that.
Yeah. You got to read the book backwards.
Yes.
Or else you didn't do it right.
Salami.
Yep.
I made it out of clay.
Yep.
Salami. And this is what I'll say. Hey.
You know what I'm saying? But you got to get it blessed by Rabbi.
You know what? Not even gonna lie. The dreidel song slaps.
That shit goes.
That shit slaps.
Yo, Metro, booming. Remix that shit.
Dreidel. Spin it. Like a top. Like a top.
Yeah.
Like a top.
Yeah.
Like a top. Dreidel.
Dreidel, I made it out of clay.
Dreidel. Mazel tov. Mazel tov.
Got the money shivers. All day. Lil pump. Hey, I got the man. Hey.
Do it for Elijah.
Hey, I got some matzah and some matzah.
And we just end with the. And you know what? The beat was like a sample of the blowing the shofar over some trap. Listen, we are going to make the #1 song for Hanukkah. Who has a Hanukkah song right now? That guy.
Shit.
The comedian.
What's the guy's name?
Victor. What's the guy's name?
From what?
He comedian he's famous, but he makes movies that are really bad, but makes a lot of money. And it's Adam Sandler. Yeah.
Yes.
He has the
Hanukkah song.
song. So we gotta remake the Hanukkah song. Hanukkah. So we can't do it right now because anything that you make is going to include Molly in the butt. So we're not. Don't think about it right now.
We're gonna sleep on it.
Yeah.
In the workshop.
Hanukkah.
You know what I'm saying?
Hanukkah.
Gonna sit down with Modest Yahoo a little bit.
Woo.
You know what I'm saying? Woo. You know what I'm saying? King without a crown.
Yes.
Yo, I got topics to that song, dog.
Wow.
I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I cannot
This is
believe
like
it.
on Seinfeld when Seinfeld took the girl to Schindler's List and made out with her. Okay, you can't just be making, you can't be at top. Was it a Jewish girl? Why were you listening to?
She's Puerto Rican and like fucking.
Oh, was that weird time we were all listening to that?
But yeah, everybody's listening to Modest Yahoo. I was like, this is not.
I couldn't listen to it because I can't pronounce the name.
Yeah,
I can barely pronounce like Ben Burr. Like I can't pronounce that name. I was like, at first I didn't hear what she said. I was like, you got Toppy the Modest Mouse?
Also Modest Mouse. I also got Toppy from Shorty to Modest Mouse. Holy shit.
I'm going to have to throw in a Kanan reference. It was happening around that time.
Yo,
as well.
it was out, yo.
Wow.
No,
we haven't got to watch the film, but we are at Watch the Film right now.
Dog.
Okay.
Why do you think Stella's one of my favorite songs?
Okay, if you guys want to hear about artists that if you type them in at Spotify's gonna be like, who? Like, what? Like, what? Who?
You hit search it.
What was Modest Mouse's big song? Float On, right?
Float On, yeah. That was it. Yeah.
Back then.
Shorty was on some shit.
How you get your dick sucked to that?
Dog, I got my dick sucked to Neutral Milk Hotel. Like, yo, like, come on, dog. Like, I was like, the topic was so fire.
You know what the funny thing is? I'm picturing all this happening at the HMV that used to be on the Virgin that used to be on 14th Street.
By the way,
you used to get Toppy while listening to albums.
Remember the Toys R Us that used to be right there?
Yeah.
She worked there.
Since the early 2000s.
She's on her fucking elliptical listening to this shit like, he's talking about me.
I'm just standing there waiting. It was like, what are you waiting for? I'm like, they're about to deliver Vice magazine, bro.
Yeah, you got top with a flat top.
Nigga, I got top.
Bro,
while after watching an episode of the OC while the Neutral Milk Hotel was playing.
Shouts to McG and that Phantom Planet remix.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, wow.
It still hits to this day.
We need to do. We got to do an Anthony Bourdain style show, but it's just Mero taking us places he got top at.
I was thinking some random riverbank in DR and be like, yo, right there.
He's like, you know, and you go to DR, you can't get top without talking to Pop and just sit there and like eat a meal with him.
It's like, Papi, I remember when you go over there by the tree and we shorty and, you know, getting the toppy. It was good. I was proud of you.
Poppy, no, when I got top. Rest in peace, Bourdain.
Yo,
Jermaine, avocado toast, young Pop, the ghost of Mufasa, young Chacuna without the coonery, aka Chili Moan, left-handed relief for the Yankees, Kalo K.
That's right.
Maybe the Yankees spend money on starting pitching this season. Probably not. Hank, you coward. Two Phone Jones, G-Zek, Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley, Cups, Humor, Dr. Bottom, label. Dilute.
One more time, yeah.
Did not trap, yo. Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot what?
Yeah, blurry. Yeah.
Right.
Is that pixelated? Is that a butthole? Is that a vagina? I don't know.
That's true. That's true. You can't
even tell.
But now it's like it's even at the point now like blurry Pinot is not acceptable. Like even your body's like, yo, I can't get around.
This is not working. It's like jerking off the Tomb Raider or the first Tomb Raider.
Yeah.
It's like this is not working.
Titties were just polygons.
Yeah, there was triangles. Yeah, they're pyramids.
She was sad. Her arms were like, let me open the door. Jump up.
Yo, jump up to a cartwheel for no reason across the cliff.
I was like, yo, this. But back then we was like, yo, these fucking graphics, my God,
this is incredible.
Wow.
Yo, I'm gonna download the patch that makes her naked.
Wow, this looks for real. Okay,
that was a real thing. That was a real thing. I turned it over PC and there was a patch that made her topless.
Oh, you played on PC?
Huh?
I mean, The Sims as well.
Yeah, shout out to the Sims. Yeah, shout out to the naked Sims. Shout out to the naked Sims.
See, I didn't do all that. I did though for San Andreas though, the hot coffee mod. That's when they was having sex.
Yeah,
you don't remember that? No. You could have CJ, and then like, cause remember at the end of the date, You go on a date, and Shorty was busting out the window and shit.
Yep.
And they removed the cut scene where it was actually you can control CJ busting up the cheeks. Yeah. What? Yeah.
Guess who's bringing that shit back out tonight?
Yeah. GTA San Andreas.
But why is it called the hot coffee patch?
Because it was.
That's the guy that made it.
No, because that was like the actual name of the subroutiners apparently, and they had to disable it, but it existed, and that's what people were because they were just like, if it exists, you could find out. Yeah. It's like remember they had the Dodo on GTA 3, that little plane that didn't really fly, but you could make it fly, and then you could fly to like a fake island or whatever. Yeah. So that's how they kind of found it.
Oh shit!
So
Easter eggs,
and that's why they couldn't release it in Australia until they removed it because you can't have sex in games in Australia, even though like your baby will get eaten by like kangaroos.
I'm a dingo in a kangaroo pouch.
I'm a dingo. I'm a dingo.
Why they can't show fucking in Australia?
What happened?
They can't show fucking in Australia?
I mean, probably not. Fucking in a video game. I don't know. Think I'm not Australian. Don't ask me shit. I don't know nothing. You ask me questions. I'm like, bro. I don't know. All right. You guys ready for a little DJ will like it to watch the fam?
Hit him with it.
Up next, I got something for y'all.
Oh boy.
I got a little song for y'all.
Here we go.
One of the greatest artists ever to bless hip hop. I don't know if you guys are ready.
Oh shit.
I don't know if you guys are ready. I'm about to bless you. The blessings.
That's when the blessings come in. Blessings come in.
Let's see who's down with
Now
real
my
hip
friend
hop.
Carlos's brother got murdered for his force. Whoa. See, he just wanted a jump shot, but they wanted to start a cult, though. Didn't want to get caught from Genesee Park to Othello.
Too much. Gotta take it back.
Woo!
That's right.
Nah, stop.
The lyrical god Macklemore.
Nah, stop.
Okay. He died for your hip hop sins.
Yo,
that's hip hop.
Hip hop.
Okay.
Yo. Also, Eminem just dropped a song called "What If I Was Gay" with Joyner Lucas. Well, there's a snippet floating around. I swear to God.
Is that real? Because I know you.
I swear to God. I'm not joking at all.
Eminem, gay.
Jordan,
it's a thing.
Yeah,
like within the past week.
Oh, it was a leaked. Well,
yeah.
I mean, do you know the thing about that is? There's literally no way in hell I'm ever listening to that song.
Yo, listen to that snippet.
I would literally have to have a stroke. And while I was stroking out, my arm accidentally loaded it and pressed play. Even then, I would not listen to it.
You know when people are into weird kinky shit, and it's like, yo, I'm really into ball torture, or pee in my eyes, open my eyes open and pee in them.
So someone just take you in a hotel room, tie you down,
and play that snippet over and over again, I'm almost there, repeat it again, yes, it's torture.
Also, for the record, this is the greatest song ever made from the MLB playoffs. I don't know why
shit,
they don't play it anymore.
Stars a million miles away. A message to the main. The seasons come and go.
It feels inspirational, right?
Man, inspirational.
Well, a lot of people don't realize. Wait for it. It's a grime song. Wait.
Yeah, you're listening now. They say they ain't.
That's why I don't listen to it in America.
Wow.
That's why. They was like, whoa. He's British?
Whoa.
Who? Remember how back in the day they used to have signs when you went for jobs and it was no Irish, no blacks? That's how rap is.
Yeah. They should put that in front of every studio as soon as you walk in.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Nope.
Instead of a ding dong.
No. Do you think there'll ever be a day where there's more British rappers than American rappers?
Hell no, mate.
Okay, just checking. Also, statistically speaking, one of your kids is going to be a rapper.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's 1 out of 4. With SoundCloud now, the odds are tripled.
But statistically speaking, one of your kids is going to be a bad rapper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to be all right with that?
I'm fine with that. I'm cool with that.
What if one of your kids starts spamming the Showtime Desus and Mero page with a bad
I'll be
song?
yo, you got to stop. I'll be you got to stop. We got to go back in the studio. We got to work on this shit.
And his name would definitely be Mero Jr. or some shit.
Oh, yeah.
His rap name.
Murder Mero all day.
Murder Mero Jr.
Yeah. Little Murder Mero. Yeah. Face tats, all that.
Little Molly in the butt.
Yeah.
The Curry Goat, these are Spicy, Jamal Hasbro, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray, Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain no human memory with the jaw. Young Aaron, the recent provocateur, Henrik Bedquist, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human Werther's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on deck, Ricky Tiki Squavi, Greg Popovich, more safe Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maggie Bieber, Alec Cucumber, the juice of press, but your boy never is.
God damn.
I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Casanova, William A. $10, forget the small change, give me, what you on? Big money one. Only after my salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Sack catch me at square one, top left, man's is mom.
Don't cheese me, bro.
Yeah, I'm doing blackface with Justin Trudeau. Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft ones will do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. David Ure.
Oh, shit, yeah.
These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. These Pokeem, no, I'm still smoking on that. Andrew Coonanny. Yeah. Okay, the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down, pop me charger.
Sit buddy.
To this day.
Call me Perico because I got your bitch on freeze. Sounds like a gossip and Syosset. Shout out to the 11791. Let's go Rangers.
That's right, bro. Rangers town.
Actually, it's Islanders. I don't know. It could go either way. Fuck it. I don't give a shit. Okay, Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch a golden ticket.
That's right.
Can't stretch your eyes out. Your man Dead IDs this morning, Sheriff. Shame if I stole this Ancestry.com box and took some of your chromosomes.
That's right.
What if you sign up for Ancestry.com and you don't realize it, but because of that, in the future, you end up getting arrested because
on a cold case,
but there's no more cold cases, and you get arrested because like when your great grandchildren like 2080 does a report.
Oh,
see, people don't think about that. People do not think about that kind of shit. And that's what I think of when I'm high. All right, Mr. Chopping that speed easy because I'm batteries that come easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic Krav Manic. Mr. Lamarino, Mass Marino, Freshman Marino, Cold Demeanor, aka the She Mass Killer. Yeah. No one could be iller. The Black Zach Moore, Support Morse, Young KPI. Hey, listen. Take second best, put me to the test.
Yeah.
Things on your chest. You need to confess.
That's right.
To your own personal Jesus. That's right.
That's right, baby.
Okay, your problematic bait is not a secret family if you know about them, even if you don't support them.
Hold that.
Up next,
it's your boy.
Mero, aka Young Molly in the butt.
And I got Molly in my rectum.
Molly in his rectum.
Molly in my rectum is being absorbed very fast, and I'm feeling it. This month, oh my God! Yo, this is such a great set by the Martinez Bros. Yeah. That's right. It's your boy, the Kim Mero, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Donovan McDab,
Big
aka
dab on him.
You know what I'm saying? Aka Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Stay the fuck out my DMs. Don't try to get me in trouble. The guy just started getting money. Aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader. Just hopped from motherfucking curb, hit your beagle, nigga. Ask me if I give a fuck. I do not. You know what I'm saying? Aka I have no fucking baby. I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Respect me. They give me my own emoji. You know what I'm saying? AKA, don't need to check the guest list. I am the motherfucking guest list. I paid Tekashi's veneers in his final Breakfast Club interview, dog. You know what I'm saying? Respect
that was
me.
really good.
You know what I'm saying?
You did a good job on that.
Thank you. I respect. I respect a man who respects artistry. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dad Bathia, you know what I'm saying? Catch me fucking in my basement on Instagram Live doing highly concentrated hits of THC, you know what I'm saying? Until I pass the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? AKA James St. Fat Dick, I'll ghost on you, shorty, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Fuck the Queen's Child Project, niggas, BX all day. AKA Tiger Backwards, nigga, I'll smoke a quarter and then I hit you with this 9-iron, you know what I'm saying? AKA get into this shmoney and this schmuck is your boy Goldman Schmidt. You know what I mean? AKA, I got all my kids' SoundCloud accounts, you know what I mean? Premium joints, so they could be on the fucking bill for Rolling Loud 2020. Because I'm the what? The motherfucking dad of the year, you know what I'm saying? AKA Big Smack Be Humble, AKA the Yayo Maradona, AKA Dick in your baby Motombo, you know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Actually, it does not. I respect a woman's agency, therefore I require emphatic consent before entering. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale, nigga, hop out, take that for data. You know what I'm saying? RJ Barrett is the greatest rookie since LeBron James. I'll fight you and your pops.
That should be a name for one of our rap groups. Emphatic consent.
Emphatic consent. Yeah. Yes. Yo, we just use Old Diggable Planets beats and shit.
I'm
cool like that. Yo, I'm hot like that. Yeah. I'm old like that. I'm rap like that. Yeah, I'm cool like that. I'm washed like that.
Brother talk often we move to the slums, and I eat that wood when the gums.
Yeah.
Talking Africa, and we got the hippopotami.
Yo.
You know, sometimes I we have to make music that they play at brunch in 20 years.
Yes.
That's the goal.
Or that they are playing right now at the Japanese denim store.
Ooh,
you know what I'm saying?
I like that. Pow. Oh, so we get DJ Shadow on the remix?
Yo, I got my Ruckus Records t-shirt ready to rock. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit. Hold on, let me go on Stretch and Bob. We reopening Fat Beats. Yeah. DJ Eclipse. Lift the gate.
That's right.
We can't even open Fat Beats. We go there, it's like a fucking massage parlor now, and it's like a sweet green.
God
what
damn.
they turn papayas into is one of the biggest tragedies in New York City.
Man, talk about it.
Oh, you get like cold pressed juices. I used to be able to get pizza for $1, harassed by a homeless person,
That's it.
and papaya drink.
And mad nitrates.
I missed that.
Come on, dog. You need papaya and nitrates, dog.
Can't get enough nitrates, bro.
Fuck.
See, people forget nitrates. Remember they had the pyramid of food in school? What's at the top? Nitrates.
Nitrates. And now they're taking them away from us. It's anti-black.
It's Michelle Obama took away our nitrates.
You know what I'm saying? She's an incel. I don't even know what the fuck.
You're just using words. You're just using random words.
I'm just using buzzwords out here.
Yeah.
Like, yo.
Michelle Obama's manipulating our currency.
Yo, AK.
Michelle Obama, it's so dog. Michelle Obama's doing a dance going down the Joker steps like.
Yo, oh my God, AK. Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. You know what I'm saying? I don't even care, nigga. Shows a Honda Fit.
Wow. That's just rude. That is just fucking rude, bro.
Somebody's listening to the Honda Fit right now, like
come on,
nigga,
bro.
Yo, come on, son. It's affordable.
Bro.
I get good mileage. I got a good lease on it, bro. What the fuck, man? Don't car shame me. The Dominican Donna Dykeman daddy catch me with a hookah hose and a bunch of hoes. You know what I'm saying? on the strip. AKA, swipe my card again. There's definitely money on that shit. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking manager when they come up here and ask for selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids are doing. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here, Edward. Yeah, I took the time to read your name tag, Edward. Just put the fucking single serving Pizza Hut pizza fucking thing from Target in the bag and shut the fuck up. Stop asking me questions, bro.
That's right. You put that Target employee in his place.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I never punch down except when I'm at Target. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget my fucking breadsticks, nigga. I got 2 sauces, one for the pizza, one for the breadsticks. Stop fucking playing with me. Fuck out of here. Okay, Romeo Santos. So zany. Oh my God. Yo, let me black out. I make a Chelsea boot more famous than a Chelsea can. That's right. Tu favorito, mami. Rock Nation Latino. Yeah, it's lit. AKA Light No Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broken, so you got fired.
Don't even got fired.
Thank you. I'll be here all week at the Garden. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing a duet with Diana Ross next week. You know what I'm saying? AKA motherfucking Tom Brady. You know what I'm saying? Your girl got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? Table Shower Boys in the motherfucking building, y'all. You know what I'm saying? AKA Filter Ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? I want to explore your consoles consensually. You know what I'm saying? Like I said before. Emphatic consent, boys. You know what I'm saying? We out here. AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live. I've been doing this as your favorite SoundCloud rapper. You ever see that nigga go on Instagram live and just fall asleep? Inebriated? I'm your guy. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday Messi MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah, nigga. I dare you to smother me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? The flagship on Dykeman. You know what I'm saying? They got P.O. there flipping the coast.
The original.
Yeah, you know know what I'm saying? It's like a landmark, man. It deserves landmark status. A.K.A. Ben Barson. My hands are gifted. My only regret is failing to secure the bronze weave in place. I have shamed you all. Candy, get the strap. End me. Damn, that was dark. It's the end of Ben Barson. Hey, I open your medicine cabinet because you know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen, man. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby New 4, 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Nino Brown should have caught it down. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. live from Superfood Town. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? And listen, mate. Told you time and time again, there's only 2 rock stars left in this world. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Smoking PCP and think I'm watching the Knicks when I'm just standing in front of the bodega staring into space. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I met my friend Cessa, I'm never gonna fail, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for KD and Kyrie in a Google Hangout. It's Barmelo's Anthony! Bang! Wow, this guy just ate a frozen egg waffle while it was still frozen. Amazing. Yo, if you see me at Target higher than fucking Shaq on a construction ladder changing a light bulb, nigga, approach me like a fucking earth-sign mammal and atone for your fucking sins, B. You know what I'm saying? I may react radically, and you might not like that. You know what I'm saying? Very erratically while I'm sticking my finger in sunflower seed peanut butter. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'm gonna need that money up front. And what am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna eat these benzos and I'm gonna fall asleep on the couch, pee on myself, and go through your fridge. I have my friend Mr. Funfun here to back me up and help me out on this journey.
Yeah. You go look for the pills. I'll watch kids. Hey kids, you probably want to play 7-Up. All right, put your hands down. I'll put my 7-Up.
Whoa! Hey, I'm back. All right, Mr. Funfun, get back in the car, please. Just wait for me in the car and roll the windows up.
Put that 6-year-old in the to-go bag.
Oh my God. A.K.A. I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out with motherfucking Swami Tel. I found in my garage an expired ginger ale, dog.
That sounds good.
You know what I'm saying?
That sounds good.
You know what I'm saying? I might fuck around and make a little cocktail. Call me a mixologist. You might want to turn on your SAP right now because it's about to get hectic.
SAP.
Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, ¿qué lo que? Llegó el hijo el motherfucking hijo de Tito y FIFA, coño, el más loco de todo. El papi de la lady. El papá del milenio. Mamagüevo, vámonos para el patio a cazar shopping este invierno, my friend. Pío, Guado, tírame que por WhatsApp que nos fuimos. You know what I'm saying? Si tú me ves en la calle, loco, dime qué es lo que es. Dame 5 pesos. You know what I'm saying? Salud me. Shout out a la casa, shout out a Hasan y Senga que pone la fucking nota. Shout out a la nena bodega Daiana que está ahora mismo lesionada, pero vuelve en esta temporada. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Desus Bueno, Víctor Hugo, la mente que manipula toda. Te ponte claro, tú supiste. Y tenemos allí en el building que puso Molly en su nalga en 1999. Yo, pronto libertad, mi hermano Freaky. Me quité, ya.
Still going.
You know what I'm saying?
He's still doing the Spanish part.
Ponte Molly en el culo.
Right now, I feel like every white person that moved to Washington Heights is like, Jesus Christ, when do they stop?
What the fuck? What's bachata?
The party stopped at 6 and started again at 7 a.m.
I thought bachata was like horchata.
Jesus.
I thought it was the same thing.
1, 2, 3. How many fucking kids does she got?
Oh my God.
Jesus. Hookah in the middle of the sidewalk?
What?
I'm calling 311.
Who puts a lawn chair in front of their building?
Oh my God. You know what? I've had enough. I'm writing an essay on Medium.
That's right.
All right. Yo, it's been episode 177. Yo, shout out to Houston. Sorry for having to cancel the concert. It's a scheduling error. We're gonna try it again to do it next year. We didn't cancel it because of Astros. That's petty, and that would mean that would be us fucking up a bag. That's our own money.
That's why
right.
we don't cut off our noses to spite our faces.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? Ooh. We're not dumb.
That's actually an ableist term.
It is?
No, it's not. I just made that up. Hey, yo, be sure to check out Desus and Mero on Showtime.
Monday, Thursday, 11 o'clock, though.
Be sure to check out this illustrious podcast in visual form and the YouTube Bodega Boys YouTube channel on YouTube.
Shit.
Yeah.
We're all over the place, dog.
All over the place.
All you gotta do is type our name into any fucking search field. Nigga, the fucking browser shit everywhere. Your phone.
And remember, avoid the bookings and put that molly in your butt.
Yeah.
Yeah, we out.